Back. What's up, people? How we doing? I know, a little bit earlier today. I don't know if this is gonna work. All right, I think it did. It's still gonna say scheduled, I think, for a little bit. But how we doing, everybody? We good? We good? All right, we're back live. Let's do this thing. Let's have some fun. So, I don't really know how this works with the whole go live thing, but I'm back. Let's see. SUV is the mother squirrel. We're just all gathered. Okay, that's interesting. Michael Burry's glass eye, but here, dude, that affirm play was ridiculous. It ran to a high of like up 500%. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was kind of drunk. But yeah, as everybody's filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button. We were printing today. I got out of that Uber too. So we hit DraftKings, Uber, crushed it on Affirm right around here, rode it all the way to probably right around here, and then what? And then what did we do? Oh, yeah, got busted up on Rivian this morning, but came out very much in the green. So finally tried the 1348 cross and made $500 today. ORXR at a freaking boy. Let's go, Bull. TQQQ puts green. Riot puts green. One fast duster at a boy, man. What's Mara doing and all of them? Are we getting a crossover over here? If you guys see anything crossing, let me know. I mean, I still have settled cash left. You got about an hour until I can no longer enter trades. So if we find anything, I have an hour. So let's see here, everybody. Avocado, what's up, man? All right, Matt Synthetic Girlfriend, welcome back. Thank you. Welcome to all of you guys. Let's see here. All righty now. So what do we got going on? Wishing he father the best on his protest for the apes. I wish he would not do that ever. That is the dumbest thing ever. The protest is a terrible idea. If you have a giant protest of people, do you know what happens there? Bad actors. What's it called? Agent provocateurs. You don't want that at all. We sit here and protest every single day with the audience that we have on the internet. I don't see an in-person protest being anything but an absolute potential for disaster. So that's how I see it. He's back. Apple wants to go for another run. Damn it, avocado. Where is it? Yeah, it does a little bit here. I mean, I still have those. I think I still have them. Yeah, I've still got my, those are going to be busted up. But, you know, it's fine. I still got my Intel puts. If Apple runs into the end of the day, that would be pretty sweet. Just so low on my AMC. Just kidding. I'm not a moron. There you go. Plus, Vix is on house arrest and couldn't make it. Exactly. Protest with your wallet. Boom. Right there. Here we go, people. So, SPY's coming up a little bit here. We want it to peek its head out of the range again. Same thing with Amy. I mean, Apple's getting back into its range a little bit over here. If you see anything crossing, call it out. We will be here. In-person protest, fall flat. Yeah, I don't like it. It just rubs me the wrong way. I don't like it. It's a very, very weird. It just doesn't. All right. Hit the like button. Let's go. Yeah, for everybody filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. Lisa says you really should stop calling yourself an ape channel. Wrong. You barely mentioned AMC or GME anymore. Wrong. It's all about how much money can STV make. Wrong. Nothing like TMI. It's embarrassing. Hey, everybody doing 1348 right now. How much money have you made based off of anything that I've said or the 1348 in today? Probably you're making a lot of money. Let's show Lisa how much success you guys have seen today. We had already one person make $500. There you go. Is the stream early or am I late? Bing bong. Lisa's wrong. Yep. AMC's at 1475. Lisa, I also haven't seen you in here anymore. So it seems like you're making statements on stuff you have known nothing about. All right. Lisa, didn't I ban you a while ago for spewing nonsense again? You coming in with a new account? Interesting. 500% today. $10,000 today. 235% gains. Hey, Lisa, read the chat right now. See what's happening here. 130% trade today. Best AMC channel. Yaz, thank you. Lisa, you can see yourself out. All right. Here we go. AMC 1477 right now, up 1.77 per or 1.71% right here. GME at 94.34. What's the Ortex on this? AMC 20.77% estimated short interest, borrowed shares 3.81 million. Cost to borrow average 1.59%. GME over here. Let's take a look. So we got 200 net borrow of basically like 2.3 thousand shares. Estimated short interest 18%. So looking good. Let's see. And you're already booting people already? Oh, yeah, it's been like 2 minutes. It happens every single time. 235% gains off 1348. Matt Stuck suspenders made 25 grand. Atta boy. That's what we like to see. You're the only one that constantly talks about AMC. That's why 95% of my time is with you on your stream. Trey's mustache. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, buddy. Like, I'm always talking about AMC. They never leave my screen. What's max pain today? It's 18 on AMC, and I think it stepped up to 110 on or 111 on GME yesterday. I can check it though. Depends on what the call buy-in's looking like. GME is 109 today, so a little bit more call buying. How's Lucid looking? I don't know. Let's take a look. Lucy. And as we're waiting for AMC crossover, nothing too crazy on Lucid today. Amy's popping back up a little bit here. You never put AMC on the back burner? I never do that. Exactly. Like, I don't understand. Miss the morning feed. What's happening with BBIG? Joan, I got you. Rallied back into pretty much flat on the day right here. That little 1348 cross was decent. It didn't really continue on that breakout of the 200. Amy's getting a little action here. Spy's peeking its head up. We might be able to get some crosses over here. Lucid is a falling knife. Major Wyckoff distribution. Ooh, interesting. Thanks so much. Anytime Lyft's about to cross to the downside or the upside, I got out of my Ubers. But I'm perfectly fine with playing Lyft. Man, Lyft might come down. So remember, I cut the Ubers. I sold half of them when it was up 160%. So I made it free plus about 30% in gains. So if it went to zero, I would have been still in profit. And then I sold the rest of them when they were like pretty much even, a little bit in the red. So another successful Uber trade. We had DraftKings doing good, Affirm really good. The one loser today was Rivian in the morning, even though like I messed that one up. I screwed up the Rivian. It made a whole lot of sense across the board. Let's see. Hey Vix, Elon, tweet Elon. He's not gonna look at what I'm gonna say. Playing devil's advocate, but maybe Lisa's just down bad on AMC and is hoping to see more AMC support. 3 to 4 months ago, YouTubers were coming AMC 80 to 90% of the time. That's fair. That's a fair point. But we got to think about too is like, yeah, I can set like we have it up on the charts every single day. I'm checking the Ortex on it. I'm calling out the prices on it. I'm saying where I think it's gonna go. But at the same time, we might as well just make other money like we were seeing today. Like we crushed it today. And I love that you guys are killing it. You now carry the AMC sentiment torch on those beautiful angles of yours. Benny, I appreciate that, buddy. I appreciate that. Check out the description. There's a free Discord chat. Yeah, it's also in the top of the what do you call it? The chat over here. All right, so Spy's peeking its head up again. Oh my God, these dogs in the courtyard are going wild. Slap that like button, says Zek. That's pretty cool. That's a cool name over there, buddy. You're also curious about BBIG Ortex. It's like 30-something%, 31, I think it was. These dogs hate each other outside in this courtyard. It's crazy. Okay, so 32.22% estimated short interest on BBIG. We got 1.7 million borrowed shares today, 1.14 million borrowed change, 282% cost to borrow, 100% utilization on that beast. Yeah, Raven heard me, but got all of it back and some on Spy and Affirm. Thanks to 1348. Woo! Dude, Affirm was the dirtiest play of the day today. I haven't seen another one go crazier, but that was, I wish I held all my contracts. So I sold like 2 of them when they were up like 40%, I think, something like that. And then I held the last one. And that was the one that so it was up over 500% at one point, but then it started to come down. So I think I sold it around 380%, 400%, somewhere around there. I got to look and see what the exact calculation would be for my fill. Let's see. Lou retired and came back again. Oh, cool. I said it earlier and I'll say it again. Happy anniversary all from us in the UK. We stand with you. We fight with you. We buy with you. We hold with you. Colin. There we go. Apple 1348 printed over 200%. Jason, man, you guys are crushing it right now. I love to see it. I love it, man. It is awesome to see. All right. So Amy right now, 1490. It is up 2.62% today from the deep depths in the 13s. 1340 all the way up to 1490. That's a pretty big run up over here, all the way up to almost $15, up 2%, 2.7% on that. All right, and then GME's up 0.9, Spy's up 1.1. Like Uber's, and those Ubers are coming back to life. I'm not touching Uber, I don't think. Maybe if I want to do a little quick flip, but Smash that like button, people. Yeah, for everybody filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, it just helps out with the algorithm. Hold on, let me just tweet out that we're live over here. Let's see. Let's see. Did I type that correctly? I probably didn't because I cannot type sometimes. It's like really bad. All right. I'm going to tweet this out really quickly as people are filtering in. So we can get Ortex again if you guys want to. But if you guys see anything crossing over, everything's kind of like in the middle of like the crosses here. Unless the market really starts to freak out, we may not see any more of these wild crosses. So let's see. Gary's not doing well today. What's wrong with Gary? I think Super Bowl is possible DraftKings catalyst. A lot of people think that a lot. TMI's traveling today. I'm not sure where he's going. Welcome back. You're not on the East Coast. Well, I mean West Coast. I'm on the East Coast, buddy. Let's see here. All right. Amy 1491 slowly trying to make its way up here. GME just kind of trapped in its little range down here at 94.33. Remember, GME was down to 87.66 and all the way back up to 94.70. Oh, Amy with a candle right here. Look at this thing. That was a big FU candle over here. 15.17 up 4.5%. GME got a little bit of a candle over here. Oh, baby. Check Melvin Capital. Its website finished. Oh, boy. Boom, boom candles over here, people. That was a big one. That was a big boom, boom on Amy. Also, here's the thing. You got a little bit of a 1348, like come up, retest, and then from 1468 to 1525, you have the 15s. It goes boom, little call action there if you wanted to play it on Amy. I don't trade AMC on like quick flips, though. I just don't like to do it. That was a boom, boom and a half. Big blizzard for us in Southern Rhode Island. Yeah, man, up to 2. Yeah, I'm in Connecticut. You know where TMI is going? No, I actually don't know where TMI is going. I know he's traveling. I just don't know where he's going. I never asked him. AMC breaking the descending wedge. Yep. Momentum candle. Let's see if it continues. We got a little bit of a 5-minute MACD cross right here off of that move. Let's see if it's going to send it up. Spy's trying a little bit. Where's Apple? Is Apple going to go on a little bit of an afternoon run here? We could YOLO a little bit on this thing. And maybe Melvin site does look down. Hold on. Hold on. Melvin Capital. Oh, this is Melvin Capital's website right now. This is it. MelvinCapital.com. This is the website. You guys seeing this right here? It's done. It's nothing. There is no website. What the hell? Hold on. I'm going to tweet this out. Melvin Capital website down? Maintenance? Hold on. This is wild. This is wild. That's crazy. Hold up. Melvin was wrong. There we go. Old news on Melvin. Oh, it's been like that all year? Okay, just kidding. I'm taking this tweet down. Sorry, I haven't looked at Melvin Capital's website. My bad. I didn't know. I did not know. Been like that? Okay, sorry. I didn't realize. I didn't know. But they did do that 4 billion sale. This is the way. Yeah. Okay. So now people are emotional damage. It's been like this in February last year. All right. Cool. My bad. I didn't know that. So thanks for letting me know. Whoops. Bing bong. I mean, Melvin's still wrong. Melvin is still wrong. Fix fake news. Apply to CNN. Okay, I will. All right. Yeah. Amy is ripping up here. New high of the day at 1525. Yeah. So let's see. Let's see. Emotional damage. You mean to tell me that you don't check Melvin's website every day? That is exactly what I'm telling you. I have no idea. Wall Street Journal article 3 hours ago. What happened? What's the Wall Street Journal article 3 hours ago? Yeah, sorry. I've never checked Melvin Capital's website before. Sorry. Vix, what's good? Long. What's up, buddy? How you doing? All righty. Let's see what we got going on here. I wouldn't say ripping just yet. I mean, that was a big rip that it just got sent up on. Spy. All righty. Any chance for us to hit max pain? It's at 18, I think. Like, that's pretty high. Time to go all in on AMC again. That's what you want to do. We're up above 15 right now. We're up 3.5% right now. GME's up 1.5. SPY's trying to, Apple looks like it's going to melt up a little bit. Hold on. Do we want to play Apple? Once this MACD crosses on Apple, I'll get some calls, I think. If it happens, I'll get some. Just for a flip. Just for a little quick Apple flip. Wall Street Journal has an article about what, though? Like, can we, what is it about? I don't see it on here. Amy slowly stair-stepping her way up here. Wait, why do I have 2 AMCs? I mean, that's cool. Double the action over here, huh? All right. No. Webull. Freaking out again. Hold on. Webull does this sometimes. It's just being a big little... Okay, here's what we're going to do. Bing bong. Hold up. Up 150% on Apple calls from this morning. There you go. All right, now we have 2 apples. Interesting. All right, AMC. Bing bong. All right, now we're back. So Amy fell down below 15 while we were having some technical difficulties. Here we go. Forgive me for not getting too psyched about 15. That's fine. Pete Gwynn. I knew a person named Pete Gwynn. Let's see. Apple's just kind of bouncing off of the 13 over here. So, are they being hacked? No. Can you not call AMC Amy? That's your ex's name? I'm sorry. I'm gonna. No, I have to call it Amy now. Now I have to. Doesn't the SPY look like it wants to go up? I mean, if it does like little cup handle, it could start to go up over here, but I don't know. We'll see. Anything crossing? I don't see anything. Hold on. Let me see what's going on over here. Is Skills ripping again? Nope, not yet. Amy coming up here, 1507. I like it. Happy 1-year anniversary. Melvin vaporized. Nah, I mean, they're getting close. I mean, they sold that $4 billion worth of stuff, which was interesting. And their AUM is $12.5 billion. What the hell happened to Melvin? Nothing good. We're gonna see Nancy Pelosi stock holdings. I think you just look it up and you can see it. Ford is crossing. Okay, I like that. Ford crossing's good. Ford crossing down. Ford's crossing to the downside, but the low of the day is 1923. That's a 7-cent move. That's not gonna give us a whole lot. Let's see. Keith, thank you for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I had a limit order on options for Adobe, and I missed printing money on the call this morning because the price jumped between when I started buying and when I hit send. Keith, dude, thanks for the super. You should have been here for whatchamacallit, the Affirm play. Like, dude, where's Affirm right now? Dude, the Affirm play was so dirty, so nasty. Let's see here. Yeah, for everybody filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just helps out a whole lot over here. Thank you guys so much. I mean, we're having a good day today. Anniversary day. Amy's up. We hit some dirty trades, got burned on Rivian, but made it back with DraftKings, Uber, and Affirm. Very, very, very nice. Viac, my rip hard. Geo's been looking at Viacom. Viacom's actually looking decent right now. What is the premium looking like on Viacom? Viac. Happy birthday, buddy. My name isn't Justin Frozen Meat Juice. It is not my birthday, but thank you. Was that a Lou candle? Oh, it was a Lou candle. Look how many shares they borrowed against us now. I have a feeling they're going to ladder attack us at 230. It wouldn't be a ladder attack. They would just be selling a boatload of shares into the market. All right. So Viac. I would get I don't know. There's no cross on Viacom, so if I did it, I'd just be YOLOing, and I don't really want to just YOLO. You know? I don't really... UPST crossing. I don't want to enter something with no reason. UPST is coming up. 1348 right here. Boom, 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 boom. That probably printed really nicely if somebody was getting on an UPST. Or text, please. AMC VIX. Of course. I got you guys. So, AMC... 3.95 million shares borrowed, 3.5 million borrowed change, 20.79% estimated short interest right now. Amy, 1501 right here. UPST's coming up. I mean, MACD 5-minute cross. You could just play it on that little breakout here. You could hold on. Where's UPST? I mean, they usually have some decent one. Nightmare McCaw, thank you so much for the super. Don't get a bad case of the mind goblin. What's that? Just like apes make bank? Dude, apes have been making lots of bank today. Let me just look at the, I mean, this would be a MACD cross play, but I don't know. It's coming down a little here. It's a little expensive. I don't know. Let's see. I want to play another cross. Unless I see like the criteria and the rules followed, I don't really want to take a trade. So we'll see. We see if UPST is still under 200. It's at 96. You need to give hints if good plays show up. No, I will. I'm just hoping people start to call them out. Neo might cross down in the next couple of candles. Ryan, shit. Neo. Yeah, but that's not like it's not like coming down hard. It's just kind of like screwing around over here. I don't know. We'll see. And the MACD kind of wants to cross up too. It came down from this high, but it hasn't gotten the momentum down that I would want to see. Go to class. See you in 5 minutes. I'm not going in 5. All right. Now you have to get put in timeout. Now you have to. I will. Yeah, I'm not going to class today. The prophecying AMC. I'm prophecying AMC to 19 today. That'd be pretty sweet. 1348 cross on the 15-minute on what? Shorts covering? AMC? No. Let's see. What if every time I'm days away from my paycheck, we get this great price, but watch Tuesday, will we back up? Yeah, but it's slowly like just stair-stepping its way down recently with the market just freaking out. So honestly, kind of a calm Friday so far, besides that little run up that we had from 429 to 437. I mean, that's giant. You could have played SPY 2 and crushed it. Like, you could have done a lot of things today, guys. A lot of what platforms are for the 1348 trading view? No. It's just charting. Anything you can put like what do you call it? Moving averages on, you can look at the 1348 crosses. Nightmare McCaw, thanks for the super, buddy. Mind Goblin, he's nut. JK, keep up the good work. Damn, bro, you got me on that one. Trey's Bottle of Kraken, thank you so much for becoming a member, man. I really appreciate that. Yeah, shout out to all the members of the channel. You guys are awesome. Remember, I am working on the ankle and squirrel little emote thing next to your guys' names. So you guys will be getting that probably next week. I only had Apple calls, closed them at 23% gains. The AR guy, I mean, that's still good. It's better than losing money on a day like this where things are freaking out. Like the SPY's up 1%, but the SPY was down a little bit over here, 428. Like we were having another volatile day. No day trades left till Monday. No, DMI's not at the $8 protest. Sweet. What's up, Trey's mustache? Lucid to love the devil because we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for him. Well, no, that's true. The thing is like the fact that it's so manipulated and so wild is one, what kind of brought us all together. Two, it's kind of the reason why these plays have so much potential. Slow it down a bit. No, never. Love you, dude. Sorry for getting you on that one. I just couldn't help it. Nightmare. That was rude of you. That was rude. You did get me good. That one did get me. I will day trade until 3:59 p.m. One fast duster. There you go, buddy. It's the EMA, Frosky. Lift close to crossing. SPY coming down here. Uh-oh, people. The SPY might be doing its thing. Where's Snap? Actually. Where's Snap? Snap's coming down. SPY's coming down. Lift would be the one that's crossing here. Yep. Lift is it's getting there. It's getting there. On the weekly, AMC isn't the 13 crossing the 48 down. Let me look. I've never used it on the weekly. Yep. 13 crossed the 48 on the way down. So the Discord free now? No. The Discord is you still have the premium option for the Discord for like the 300 stocks that you'll get alerts for. But you can go into the free chat and just like basically, I think people get it now that it works. You can go in there, talk to the people, learn a little bit more. It's also an easy way to just like go in, just be a member, like join the Discord and then see all of the videos that you need to watch in order. And then you can consider if you want to join premium. We'd love to have you, but if you want to just use the strategy like for free, go for it. Like we just want people to be able to make money. Where's the danger zone? Still around 20. There's a lot of danger zones. Tesla crossed down on the 3-minute. Bro, I've never YOLO'd Tesla calls, and I don't think I have enough settled cash to do it today, but it looks like it wants to cross down on the 5-minute. How much are these? They're actually not that expensive, and I could do this with one of them. So I could YOLO Tesla puts. I don't why does it keep? Why is Weeble being such a a-hole today? Tesla's coming down right now. Hold on. Hold on. I've never done this. I've never done a Tesla YOLO. NVIDIA recurring investment kicks in for me in about 13 minutes based on previous occurrences. What is that? Hood is hilarious. They're worth more now than they were. Yeah. Thank you, SCV, for the chat. I don't think we thank you enough. You are on here all day with us like a full-time job. I cannot possibly do what you do. One fast duster, it's fun. I have a good time, especially when we're cranking 1348. Neo, getting some decent candles down. If I'm gonna do it, Ryan, I think I'm gonna do it on Tesla. I think that's what we'll do. Is Neo doing it? I don't know. Neo's probably the safer one. It's the same thing. The risk reward on Tesla is going to be more. So let's see. Any thoughts on AT&T? I don't know. Tesla. I want to leave Tesla up because I might do a Tesla YOLO. Whoa. AT&T with a ripper today. My God, up 3.28%. AT&T's pumping right now. Hold your horses. AT&T. Oh, baby. T is going crazy right now. That should not happen. Jeez, man. How much are these? Screw it. All right, this will be the silly YOLO for the day. Actually, no. Nope, not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I was going to get the $25 strike on AT&T. Not going to do it, though. Tesla 800 put. No, I would go for, hold on, where's Tesla? I need the 1348 to cross. If it crosses on Tesla, I will do it. Don't you tempt me with a good time. I will do it. Tesla sell-off coming, SPY sell-off coming. Uh-oh, people. It could get gnarly. Damn, sold my calls too early. On AT&T? Yeah. Took your break to watch the 1348 videos. Can't wait for settled cash. Marcel, there we go. All right, Tesla's coming down. It looks like it wants to cross this 1348 here. I'm not going to touch it until it crosses. Oh, no. On level 2 of Webull, the orders on the bid-ask are full equate. How can this be? They might be ping-ponging back and forth. Here we go. My puts are turning green. There we go. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just helps out with the algorithm. I'm trying to get some more people in here. Do Neo, it's safe. Either way, I'm probably going to use the rest of my cash balance, and I'll have the stop at 20%. So it won't really matter a whole lot. It's the same risk. It's just if Tesla goes to the downside and SPY starts selling off into close, it's just the risk reward on Tesla is bigger, just dollar for dollar moves if it goes in the money, because Tesla can move. The deltas on them are going to shoot. I would like the SPY to tank for the rest of the day, please and thanks. Affirm puts. Hit cross. No, I'm not touching Affirm. I already wrote it up today. That was a dirty trade. That was probably one of the best ones I've had in a while. 500%. I'll freaking take it, man. Tesla put's about to print. I'm not going to touch it yet. Sold my love Rolex for 22 grand today. I needed some dry powder for this market, man. Hopefully you turn that into like 17 Rolexes, Turn off extended hours in level 2. New guy for what, buddy? IW, I'm looking like it's set to cross. Spaghetti-o. SPY slowly making its way down here. We got AMC at 1884. We got GME coming down a little bit here. Affirm options are expensive. Yeah, now they are. After I sold them. Sold everything. I'm going 100% AMC to get again for today only. There you go, buddy. You play weekly calls or puts, same day expiration using 1348. Weeklies now. Get STV on the top of the search list. Thank you, Duck Knight. I appreciate that, man. I feel you sold all my Mutant Ape for 40 grand so I can play. Jesus, buddy. Please read. SPY's in a one-to-one distribution pattern from Wyckoff. It's trying to save bag holders. Wouldn't distribution mean down? I said 1884. Sorry, 1484. Sorry. I don't know Wyckoff very well at all, but isn't distribution like the down part and then accumulation as it accumulates back up? Let's all short Hood. I don't know, man. Hood's gnarly. Thank you for helping us, SCV. Steven, anytime, man. All right, so Tesla hasn't crossed yet. SPY's just kind of messing around over here. I don't know. We could see a big sell-off into the close. And if it does, I mean, I would want to have Tesla puts, but we'll see. Yeah, distribution is bearish. That's what I thought. And how I don't know how would that say, oh, Fiverr cross down on the 3-minute. Fiverr, you can steal some premium on there. FVRR, that's what it is. Cross the 24. Yeah, everything looks like it wants to cross here. SPY's the only thing that's kind of starting to come up. How's Apple doing right now? Is that kind of what we're seeing here? Yeah, Apple's kind of holding up the SPY. AMC 1494 right now. We got GME at 9488. Interesting. Tesla. What are we looking at here? Tesla bouncing back up a little bit with the SPY. Interesting. When the market turns, hood will go to 25. I hope not, man. Call put for AT&T, not touching it. I was gonna, what's AT&T at now? Did it go to 5? Oh, shoot. That was the dirty one. How much are so those contracts were $5. What are they at now? If I bought the 10 contracts, shoot, I wanted that 9. So that would have been a 40% gain. All right. You know what? That stinks. That was going to be the YOLO. Darn. Oh, you got it, Jacob? Boy. There you go. Jacob. There you go. That's a good one. You hit that one good. I didn't want to do it just because it's just YOLO-y. It ran like 10 cents. You made 40%. There you go. I have a 3 YOLO on Apple Law just for the hell of it. 175. That's not hitting, Steven. Sorry. 80% gain? Damn, man. Damn. I screwed that one up, huh? I should have taken it. I was hot today. I was hot. Oh, shoot. It is an 80% gain. Damn. That sucks. Oh, we had it. Oh, man. All right. That's fine. I can still do it. Like, it's not like I can't still do it. It went up damn slow. No, it didn't. Gary Gensler tweet. Another tweet about suspending and trading in the stock. Something is brewing in a stock. Interesting. What are these at right now? The spreads are going to suck on them. Like, the spreads are going to be terrible. It's like you're going to lose 20% on your fill because you're not going to be able to get it there. Sold my Tesla shares, buying AMC right now. Damn, is everything going down? No, SPY's kind of holding up here. AT&T, what's Ford doing? Ford was looking like I wanted to come down. What about GE? I kind of want to flip. I want to flip something. Oh, GE's coming up a little bit. GE cross on the 5-minute MACD. I mean, I just want like a $50 YOLO. Like, that's what I want. Unless it's Tesla. Unless the market comes down and then I use the remainder of my cash balance to just YOLO on Tesla puts. You already have more than 300% on AFRM? No, I had like I sold it at like 400%, I think. It ran up to 500%, but other than that, Amy popping up here a little bit. We got SPY coming up here a little bit too. T. Yeah, T looks good. All right. I don't want to do it. Wait, hold on. What's this? Net? What's net? Cloudflare? And nothing too crazy yet. MACD cross. That might be what we have to do it on. Catch the 5-minute MACD cross. TLT and VIX flat dangerous flip conditions. Yes. So it easily could do just whoop, right out. So shout out my son, Dayton, new ape training, codename Dr. J. There we go. Hopefully I said that right. Dayton. That's a pretty cool name. GLD crossing now. Gold coming up would mean inflation. So dollar coming down, maybe. Can you show us how to set up the 1348? Yeah, you just put the EMAs on there and you just set 1 to 13, 1 to 48, 1 to 200. And just the inputs. Yeah, where's TLT? TLT's just been stair-stepping its way up today. All right. All right, people. How we doing? You guys feeling all right? Wish I would have known about the 1348 earlier. We'd have seen AMC beginning its drop 4-hour chart from the 23rd of November and hedged from there. Yeah, I mean, same with Lucid, downward from January 18th. 1348 is legendary, says Mr. Writer. Oh, yeah, it is. AMD close to a cross. Hopefully it's on the 5-minute. No, that's going to take a little while to play out. Boeing. I'm searching for something. I want something. All right, people, here we go. Simon's got jokes. What did Simon say? Simon. Woo woo. Like number 500, Cedar Creeper. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Oh, wow. You guys are crushing on the likes right now. Thank you. I appreciate that a lot. KSS crossed up. What's this? What's KSS? Coles? Yeah, but that's not enough. Like, that's not like a nice cross. That's like a crappy cross. And then it's below the 200 EMA too. I'm not touching that. I mean, hopefully we see some volatility into close. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. Tesla actually looks like it's gonna cross. We might do a Tesla YOLO. I've never done it. I've never done one. First time for everything, right? Tesla is almost there. It's just going up and down though. Up and down, up and down, up and down. If you can get 1348 across a super trend, you make bigger moves. Yeah, might throw another 1,000 at AMC, says Fat Lips. There you go. Lucid cross coming down. Did Lucid already cross? Lucid cross here, and it's just been kind of flickering out. SPY's moving up here, though. Where's Apple? Not a whole lot here. Nothing too crazy going on in the market, people. We need, I mean, for Tesla, you need the SPY to just go right down for it to happen. So AMC 1498 right now, up 3.17%. GME is up 2% right now. Decent. Is it okay to call the 1348 the ankle cross? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think we can do that. Why would Tesla be a YOLO? It follows the rules, does it not? Yeah, but it's Tesla. It has a mind of its own. Like, Tesla's crazy. It's also, it would expire in 2.5 hours. And it would be expensive. Ortex AMC? Yup. All right, so coming over here, we have net borrow of 3.66 million shares, 20.82% estimated short interest, low cost to borrow, though. I don't know. See, SPY is liking it out of this range here, but if it teeters in this range, the sellers will just knock it back in. They're playing capture the flag with these supply and demand zones here, people. Seeing a lot of tightening ranges on 5-minute charts all over. Yeah, that's either gonna be like, all right, we're gonna consolidate into close, or there's a big move coming. Just watch the 1348 vid on Discord. You're gonna be watching that now in addition levels. Thanks, SCV. All right, Tesla selling off here. SPY starting to come down a little bit. That's not that big of a move on Tesla. $3. That's not that crazy, but I want the cross. I need this to cross, like, and confirm the cross. The golden ape ratio. That would be pretty cool. Tesla about to break the bear flag now. Avocado, you want to do it with me? I just feel like the stop loss, though, is going to get hit like that, and I'm not going to mess around with it. I'll just sell it and take the loss. Kramer tweet about AMD. He better not be coming for my baby like that. AMC Ortex, Ben, go back like 10 seconds. SPY, I don't know. Let's see what happens here. AMC is going to cross on the 1 minute with an M forming as well. Interesting. Tesla wants to get this cross here. Daniel, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Cost to borrow and short interest on BBIG, please. We did it a little while ago. It was like 32%, and the cost to borrow was like 253%. Daniel. Pulling the Tesla trigger when the 5-minute crosses. All right, man. Let's. I don't know. The thing is I've already had such a good day today. I don't want to push it, but I also, if there's going to be a sell-off at the end of the day, I want to have Tesla for it. Bought AMD at 208. Jesus, that's way better than I got it at, and I got it at 12. That's insane. I would, but no settle cash. You can send me a tip. I could, but I also talked about it, I think I was the one that brought it up. Somebody brought it up. Lucid puts, low and slow. Yeah, Tesla's doing it. SPY, nope. SPY wants to come up here a little bit. Interesting. It happened again. NVIDIA recurring investment went through at 1037. I don't know what that is. The AR guy. What is NVIDIA recurring investment? I don't know what this is. Last 3 months, the exact same time. What are you talking about? Can you explain that to me? Are you talking about like you have like auto deposit on there? Just in case I make a mistake. That's fine, Lawrence. You can do that all you want. That's it for me. Holding all the way now. Hodl. There you go, buddy. Where's the Friday afternoon volatility? It's just not here yet. Typically, the volatility has been happening at 2. So we've got about 20 minutes for the volatility to pick up. It might. But everything's just kind of flickering around here. Tesla, I mean, it's coming down a little. Just YOLO some T calls for 25. Get ready for the crash. No, I don't want to. No, because those will just go to 0 instantly. Like I was looking at it when I was at 24.90, and that would have been like 80%. If I did that again, I would have just stopped for the day and been like, this is too much. These are too many crazy hits in one day. Shoot. Tesla crossed. Tesla crossed. Damn it. How much are these? Damn it. All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out with the algorithm. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. Tesla. Oh, it's right at VWAP. What's VWAP right now? 830.66. So if it breaks 830.66, that's when I'll get in. It is coming down now, though. Okay. The contracts got a lot more expensive. I don't know if I can do it. It's at VWAP. It's right around VWAP right now. So AMC right now, 1482. Happy anniversary, everybody. Customer DTC canceled GME DRS shares because they don't have any. Interesting. Stinking Rocket. That's interesting. So no more DRS over there. What's max pain for AMC? I believe it's 18. I don't think it's changed. All right, Tesla moving back up. SPY kind of doing its thing over here. I don't know if we're going to do anything. I mean, let's see what happens. The 1348 did cross, but I don't know. What's the new max pain for what? Yeah, max pain, I'm pretty sure is 18. Happy anniversary, says Cedar Creeper. There we go. So let's see. SPY might want to make a move down here. It's just kind of bouncing off of this 13 EMA. We own the buy button. We also have ditched the sell button. Forward cross inbound. All right, here comes Tesla. Yep, my YOLO didn't work. Steven, on what? So if everyone started doing the 1348, wouldn't that make a move more significant to the upside or downside every time it crosses? Not if you're not buying shares. All right, Tesla, there it is. SPY moving down here. I don't know. Mike V, did you get him? It did cross on the 5-minute. I just don't know. Hood or text, please. It's 10% shorted. Has an Ortex update been provided for AMC? Yes, many times. It's at 20. They've net borrowed like, what is it? 17, 4 million shares. AMD threatening a cross to the down. If everything is about to cross and the SPY's just gonna hang out here, I don't know what. Yeah, it is. And below here, I don't know. Let's watch Tesla. I just want to see. I want to witness it. Is it good? I mean, it's high utilization, low cost to borrow, though. I wouldn't touch it. I mean, do you want to buy into Hood and to try to have a short squeeze? I'm not buying Hood shares. Screw them. I don't want to give them any of my money. How many days the average short position? Should be in the 60s. 60s or 70s right now. Where's average days on loan? 64 days. 64 days. AMC right now is at 1480. We are up about 1.85%. GME 1.72. Looking all right over here. I appreciate you, man. You should stream all day. It's fun listening to someone as excited as I am about AMC. And most days I work by myself at a facility. So you are my daily entertainment. I am live pretty much all day, except for like an hour and 15 minutes in the middle of the day. Thoughts on that? AMD? Tesla's coming down. And SPY's coming down. Hold on. Did AMD cross? AMD, no cross yet. All right. BBIG frozen on Webull. Interesting. SB, you going into Tesla? I'm still waiting on Nia. Did you get this week? No, I would get this week, but like today. I just don't know if it's going to do it. A lot of cross downs. Lot of cross downs. I have to get this. Hold on. Can I, if I can't get that? No, I can't even. No, I'm not playing Tesla. I can't even get like the 2 or 3 strikes out for what I have in settled cash right now. I'm not touching it, but I will leave it up here just for fun. Did you profit on Rivian early today? Got 20%. I didn't. I lost like 30%. I think 30-40% on those Rivians. I shouldn't have even let it get there. I thought there was a little bit of a false breakout on the SPY. Then I just cut the loss. Is 1348 strategy only valid for options trading, or can it work on day trading? Oh, definitely can work on day trading too. Definitely. Hey, CD, I'm here. Joseph Burns, what's up, buddy? Is it AMC is going to start ripping? The float is weak right now. What do you mean the float? Your sub count has jumped like crazy. Has it? Where's it at now? Oh, we are at 75,000 subscribers, people. Thank you. I appreciate that. If you're not doing Tesla, take a small play on Neo. That's smart, Ryan. Neo Cross. It's not going. I would do it on like Rivian again or Lucid because Rivian was decent. No, I just 15 minutes until I can take a daily. Unless something crazy happens here, I'd have to YOLO. So I'm probably gonna end up not touching anything. But if something happens, I will call it out for you. Doesn't people prevent options trading at 2 p.m.? Yeah. So I can't buy anything that expires today after 2 p.m. So that's why I'm kind of like, I kind of want to see something happen. But if nothing happens, then I'm kind of screwed and I'll take the gains that I made today, which is fine. I think my options account went up like 50, like the money that I have for options today went up by like 40 or 50% today. Those were dirty. Arsine MACD look pretty healthy on every time frame, ready for a move on AIM. What do you mean on AMC? Or on everything? I mean, everything's just kind of hanging out. Like, congrats, STV. Thank you. Extended hours coming to Robinhood. That's kind of annoying. Got one AT&T $25 call of 90%. Alex, there you go, buddy. There you go. Woo! Alex is over here making money. Alex, 90% is pretty good. I like that. Neo's crossing. Damn it, Ryan. Darn it. Neo is crossing right here. Yeah. The spy's not giving. See, that's the thing. I look at the spy too. It's like, what's it doing? It's like nothing. The spy. Well, you need the spy to just go when it starts to come down. Gary Gensler tweet. All right, let's see what Gary has to say. Gary Gensler. Before the end of the this is so screwed up. Look at this. Look what he tweeted. All right. So it's before the end of the month. Be sure to take this month's investor quiz. Investing quiz. The federal securities laws generally allow the SEC to spend trading in any stock for up to how many business days? I think it's 10. I think that's what they have. I think it's 10. I would get that one right. The quiz. Yeah, that's what people were talking about. The quiz. 1482 playing a vital role. I mean, we're coming back down here. SPY not doing a whole lot. Neo coming down at this cross here. What would I have to get on this? Do they have 2050s? If they have 2050s, I'd get those. Neo sold off a lot from the high. How high did Neo go at the all-time high? I mean, 64 is the 52-week high. That's pretty gnarly over there. Ooh, I don't want that. Those are weird. GME is about to go up. Oh, GME does look. I mean, we're about to get a little 5-minute MACD cross on GME, I think. What's Neo's chain looking like? No, I mean, I have to get the 20s. That's dirty. That's a dirty move. It would have to fall like 4% in the day. DraftKings, what do we got over here? Oops. Are we going to play DraftKings up and down? Ooh, hold on. No. Dang, I don't think we're going to be able to get anything. 25% gains on portfolio, 1348, killing it last 2 days on AMD. Love it. Fashions. That's what we want to see out of everybody here. Just crush it on the 1348s. My son is watching with me. Can you give a shout out to Dexter from Red Car UK? Ben Harrington, thanks for coming in, man. And shout out to Dexter. Neo sold off a lot, but not as much as AMC. True. I knew it as soon as I touched AT&T, it was going to screw me and stall or crash. Yeah, it came down a little bit here. SPY popping up here. Watch AT&T get back above 25. Yeah, AT&T is doing good right now. If the SPY runs into close and you get a little AT&T pop, those contracts could go bullshit. Tesla bouncing. Yeah, SPY's coming up here. AMC 1481, GME 9558 up 2.2%. AMC's up 1.8%. Interesting. Tesla hit the stop limit. Yeah, that's kind of why I didn't take it. Alex, 110% on my T. Alex, be careful when you go to sell that. You're not going to be able to, the bid ask is going to be all wonky. Just be careful. You're not going to get, you'll probably get 90 to 100%, maybe 80% on it with the actual where the bid is. Because think about it, the bid and the ask is like, let's say it's 9 and 10 or 10 and 11 or 11 and 12. Well, if you put your ask at 12, nobody's going to come up to it. So you'd have to go down to the bid in order to ditch that contract. So also be careful, depending on what brokerage you're on, it might sell it like in 10 minutes. Apple to 170 today. I mean, if it does, where's Apple right now? I mean, let me see what these Apple contracts are at. I have to ditch it, I think. I have to, what is it? It's probably like worth like $30 now. 24. I'll sell that. Bye-bye. Yeah, whatever. Apple could run and do it. I just want that cash back. Little $24, little loss on the Apple earnings play. It's fine. I mean, the Intel, I could take back the Intel. T's going well for me. Alex, I love to hear that, buddy. 18 inches of snow possible. That's insane, guys. They need to make a rule to not be able to short stocks under $10, stopping the tax evasion loophole. Like from going out of business. Yeah, I mean, that's true. They would have what? So when the stock goes bankrupt, technically you still have an open position, but if it gets delisted, you don't have to close your short. So there's no taxable event. GME as well. 9509, AMC 1474. Literally the SPY is doing, this is weird on the, this is just like burning premium on the SPY. Yeah, spreads will do that. Yep. Tesla trying to pop. Everything's trying to get up here a little bit. So Vix, check out the drain too. I noticed on AMC should be a violent exit. Wait, what? AMC needs to start running. I would love to see that. Puts on AMC. That's dumb. I'm not doing it. You can do whatever you want, although AMD coming down. All right. It hasn't crossed yet. No cross. It's close though. Hold on. Amy, 1475. I'm in Connecticut. We're supposed to get a lot of snow over here. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out. I think I might be the only one streaming right now, which is weird. I don't think anybody else is streaming right now. So let's just give somebody a place to go. I did tweet out that I was live. Spread is tight still, so all good for my T call. Yeah, it will be tight, but that dollar difference, depending, I mean, you only have one contract, right? So it's a dollar difference. It's not really gonna make or break anything. Is there a jobs claims report coming out? I think that was this morning. A firm might fall. I don't have a firm. I got out of my firms. I'm all done. The VIX is about to blow up. VIX about to hold up. Interesting. I don't know. All right. So AMD right now looking for that cross. If within the next 8 minutes I mean, maybe I'll get one contract just to play around. Apple on the rise to all-time high. Is it really? No, all-time high. All-time high on Apple's like 180 something. Yeah, 182.90, 94. But Apple is popping up here, bringing the SPY with it. Tesla's testing VWAP. Shoot. See, Mike V, this was the issue with the Teslas. It can come up, hit the stop, and then just tank. So Tesla is dropping hard here. Where's AMD? Things are falling right now. So this 1348 on Tesla looked decent. Is AMD going to do the same thing too? It's looking like it wants to cross. Oh my God, Tesla now. I know, I saw it. Thanks for 1348. Made 172% gains on GLW calls. I'm up 4 figures this week using it. Can't wait to join the Discord on the 1st. Woohoo. There we go, buddy. Put on Lucid. Nothing too crazy on Lucid over here. The EMA. Had to subscribe to your channel again. Bro, YouTube is freaking being annoying, man. New day high. Real life on what, buddy? Oh, new day high? Oh, you're good. You're good. AMD, what are we looking at? Oh, doesn't want to do it yet. Puts on hood. Accrued Neo crossing down. It's been almost at a cross down. TD Ameritrade won't show info on BBIG short interest. What's going on? It's like 31%. It's pretty crazy. Got AMD before the cross. Now waiting for the cross. Love 1348. You got to be careful if it's not crossing because it can always just come back up. SPY moving up. Apple's probably pumping right now. Hold on. Apple does this. This is the thing about Apple. And okay, this is the thing about Apple that I'm actually going to take a shot on. Apple, after its earnings, likes to screw with people with premium at the end of the day and then just run into close. It's done this to me a few times. I sold for a $600 gain one time, and the contracts that I had would have gone absolutely freaking, oh, shoot. You have to get the, I wish they had a 168 or a 169. That sucks on the weekly. All right, not touching Apple now. Just kidding. Are you dipping into the NFT world? I do want to. Let's see. Had to resubscribe as well to your channel and Gabe's. Hedgie's messing with YouTube algos too. Dude, this is wild. Yeah, also, everybody, make sure you guys have your notifications on too. And make sure, I mean, everybody that's in the chat now should be subscribed, but like, come on, like, this is nonsense. YouTube's, I saw it last night. It was like all of a sudden, randomly, it just dropped by like 40 subs. And I was like, that's just not real. Like, you didn't, like, they didn't even see 40 people didn't even see my content in this time. That's why I buy next week calls for Apple. Nah, I wouldn't touch it. I mean, oh, you can do whatever you want. I mean, you can probably hit a decent one with that too. I should have gotten next week calls for Apple. You're in Northern Connecticut? Black Diamonds, where, buddy? Gonna try the 1348 tonight on my live stream with crypto. Wish me luck. Oh, it will work well. I can almost guarantee. Gonna use 10x leverage. All right, man, go for it. AMD crossed 10 minutes ago on TradingView. No, it crossed. You got to make sure you have extended hours on. It won't cross. It shouldn't have crossed. So AMD not crossing yet. SPY kind of hanging around. You think Morgan Stanley hit an all-time high this week? No idea. Not the biggest fan of them. Question on 1348 for the 5-minute. Are you playing call options? Are you looking at weeklies? If you're playing, yeah, usually weeklies. If it's SPY, it's the 0 day or the 1 day. I'd go for the next expiration date. Apple go above 180 if you are willing to wait into a daily bet. No expiration. I mean, all right, AMD pop. What is this? See, watch. Apple's gonna start popping right here. Right around when you can't buy contracts anymore. Apple's starting to get a little action here. $2K watching, only 757 likes. Come on, people, show some love. I appreciate that, man. No room on the rocket for negative Nancy's. No, Lisa was being negative earlier, and we left Lisa off of the rocket. Biden speaks today. Geez. TLT high of the day. Interesting. AMC right now 1478 up 1.77%. We got GMA at 95.26. I'm not gonna touch SPY calls. I mean, we are getting a little cross here. Apple's trying to get a MACD cross. Need SPY to go burr for puts, like down burr. That could be interesting. So my crypto boys, my crypto friends said Ethereum will be the face. I mean, Ethereum, yeah. What's the plan for the weekend? Dude, I have to do so much homework to catch up. I don't go to class. I'm technically supposed to be in class right now, and I'm just not going. I thought this was morning stream still. No, it's not. This is the new stream. So we're back on from the afternoon. President speaking today. Yeah. I mean, it's probably not going to do a whole lot. He hasn't really moved markets in a big way. The only people that are really moving markets these days are like Powell and like the Fed chairs. Remarks on Build Back Better. Oh, that could mean calls everywhere or just puts across the board. It could move stuff. It honestly could move stuff. We're not going to watch it though because you guys go crazy. So I'll just get the news feed over here. Fix has no class, says Cedar Creeper. That's not very nice of you. Let's see. Oh, you guys are doing good online. There we go. You're not watching football this weekend? Dude, I'm watching my high frequency trading class. And I have to do that tonight too. Like, guys, I am like the busiest human being on the face of the planet these days. I wake up early. I don't do anything. I do a video. I'm done by like 6, and then I have to do school. And I do class while I'm on stream with you guys. It's insane. Next week, though, technically I have in-person classes, but like, do I though? No questions. When are you going to turn on your... Oh, that's weird, buddy. Audio's getting shorted? I don't think so. Do I have anything for the new options traders? 1348, buddy. What's your major? Finance. He can say to improve Build Back Better. You need to... Oh, he might say that and Pfizer could go. Actually, no. He's speaking in 1 minute. All right, no more YOLOs for the day. I am done for the day on trades. Interesting. Unless I go for a Monday expiration on the SPY, which I probably won't do. That was a wild trading day. Finally got notifications back. Jim, I appreciate that, buddy. Dun, 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 dun. All righty. All right, let's see. WebTwerp, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Save a spot on the steps for me. Vix, go to class. You know what we do to that around here, WebTwerp? I'm really, really sorry about this, but you are going to get put on the steps. Thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. You know what you're doing around here. When you tell me to go to class, you get banned. 1482 on AMC right now. SPY's coming up a little. Apple's just kind of hanging out. GME getting a nice little pop over here. I like to see it. 95. Oh, just hit 95.99. Tried to get up there. Lucid crossed crazy. No, that's not a crazy one. Is there a video on it? Yeah. So, Arim, what you got to do, join the free part of the Discord up there. He banned a super. Dude, come on. If you tell me to go to class, you get banned. Now Tesla's running. Yeah. So go to the free chat up there in the Discord, and then you go into the little tab that's like, whatchamacallit? Mandatory watch videos, and it's all of Gabe's videos on them. So it's just all laid out for you in order of what you need to know. So those are the videos that you need to watch. AMC just broke out of the bull flag. That's not a big move. I don't know why I don't know. On what time frame? GME coming up a little bit, 95.86. SPY starting to move up a little bit. Ooh, baby. If we get a run into close, that could be pretty sweet. Can we just stop and acknowledge that we are seeing a potential AMC green day? Yup. Just bought 5 $60 calls for next week. Wish me luck on what? Well, they can talk crap to me all day if they do it in a super Commander Vlogs. I mean, I guess so, man. I mean, 1 minute chart bull flag. Gotcha. Honest, go to class should be a timeout in the corner. It's not a ban. No, Lawrence, it's not a ban. It's a timeout. Let's see. So I think I should chill on trading for the day. 55% gain on Uber puts, 90% gain on Merrick calls, and even the Uber calls down 30 on that because of the commissions. Oh yeah, Ryan, you crushed it, dude. You crushed it. If you got in on a firm, buddy. BBIG will break 3 today by 325, says Sam. We can put BBIG up here for you guys if you want. 287 right here. It could get a little bit of a pop. The 5-minute MACD looks like it wants to cross. Amy is still at 1481. We got SPY trying to make a little bit of a move up here. 95.80 on GME right here. Oh, I thought it was no. It's not a ban. It's a timeout. You just get put in timeout for a little while. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the overall algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. It's really, really cool. You guys are awesome. Made it to the Discord. Baby steps. There you go. 21. Crap face. Stop it. Stop it. Look up the plunge protection plan. No. Why doesn't anybody talk about how to prevent your broker from lending your shares anymore? Well, you need to turn off share lending in order to make sure that happens. Ooh, BBIG is coming up a little bit here. 287, Amy 1481, still not moving. GME 9571. Everything's staying pretty flat. STV, this is not a game. Bro, I know everybody's like making boatloads money hand over fist today on this stream. I appreciate you, brother. Commander, I appreciate you too, buddy. How is Hood up 6% today? Not a hedge fund. I know, buddy. It's crazy. Hey, Omer. No, I do have a Discord. It's right in the top. It's me, Gabe, and TMI. Why are you banning people that tell you to go to school? I'm not. They get put in timeout for 5 minutes, and they know about it. Everybody knows about it. Tesla, buckle up. Ooh, is it coming up? Oops, hold on. A lot of alerts coming out over here. Skills. Tesla rejected off the 13, coming back down. I can't trade anything, but I'll call it out for you guys if stuff is happening. Nothing really hot. 1473 now on AMC. Who's buying today? All right. Netflix is tanking. Is it now? Netflix. Here we go, people. Let's get excited. That's NFLZ. That is not Netflix. Netflix down 3. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is a good 1348 on Netflix right here. We were looking at this a little earlier back here, but look, 1348 crosses right here. You got it probably at 380 all the way down to 373. That would have been another dirty trade over here. Interesting. Feels like AMD want to plunge, but who knows anything? It might. That was confirmation of the VWAP break. Spaghetti-O on Tesla. Have you seen the post on Twitter that the government bought 50 billion puts to prop up the market? The government, if they buy 50 billion puts, that's going to hurt the market. If they were buying calls, that would help the market. If I were to get timed out, can I still hear? Yeah, you just can't say anything for 5 minutes. I appreciate you, Vix. You're a real one, man. You actually respond, unlike them super chat dudes. don't say that. I mean, people send me super chats a lot too. So like I don't want to like have that hate over here, but I do read all the stuff. You're actually humble. And I want to say, I hope you successfully dominate your dreams. Real ape, you too, buddy. Get that game made me hyped up. Thank you, man. We need some Lulu candles. Yup. We crushed it today. I'm excited for next week. We're going to make a lot of money this week. The like button disappeared on my TV. I'm not joking. That's complete nonsense. Dude, they're playing with me today. I appreciate you, big dog. Real ape, I appreciate you too, buddy. C's, thanks for the super. I appreciate that. Here comes the AMD break. Yep, there it goes. So that's the 1348 cross on AMD right here. SPY is coming down a little bit now. So AMD's at 102. You could get the 102 or 102.40. You could get the 102 dailies if you can. I don't know though. I mean, I can't buy anything now. AMC going down again. Market's coming down a little bit here. So this is kind of what we were looking at today, people. So I was hoping for this to happen before 2. But it's not going to. So things are starting to move in the downward direction. So let's see what happens here. AMD starting to come down a little bit. Where's Tesla? Avocado, where are those Teslas? I know you can't trade it, but yeah, Tesla's starting to move down here too. Ooh, AMD already did cross jury duty next week. Hope I'm not selected. Yeah. Do you drink the entire gallon of water every day? I do not, but I should probably. A lot of Twitter notifications here. Bank of America. Nope. Nothing here. Let's see. Dumping called it on Tesla. AMC moving down 1460 right now. SPY coming down a little bit. Here it is. Here's that Tesla dump that we were looking for. Damn. Here it is. It literally just happened 6 minutes after I needed it to happen. Interesting. Everything is starting to come down here. I'm so excited. I made 90% on my T. I cut those. I cut it loose. Didn't want to exercise it. Alex, add a freaking boy, man. That's awesome. I'm so done with this crap. Why? We're sitting here waiting for AMC with all-time high or like really, really high short interest. We have the fundamentals of the company, what do you call it? Are continually getting better. And now we're sitting here and everybody in this chat who has been using 1348 has been literally turning on the money printer and just crushing it. So, I mean, what we're doing here is essentially just hedging. Here comes Tesla to the downside. SPY's finally coming down. AMC's coming back down into this range. Same thing with the SPY. It's going to be hard for it to get out. GME coming down 94. Oh, man. Here comes the Tesla put. Jeez, man. Tesla down 0.73 right now, about $6, but that was about an $8 move that we just saw on Tesla. AMC down about 30 cents from that 1481 level that we were seeing. Jason, thanks for the super, buddy. Can I look at the 1348 during the Volkswagen squeeze? Volkswagen's like an OTC. It's like VWAGgy, and I don't think it even goes back that far. AMD's coming down too. Oh, baby. You guys hitting that one? I mean, it is crossing. Yep. Wow. That's exactly what we were looking at here. So if you got those 102s, there you go. There you go. So affirm puts, did they print? So that AMD play right there could have literally just been 100% like that with the time. So hopefully you guys were looking at that one and might have hit it. It still has downside left if the SPY continues to come down. But that went from 102.40 to 101.70. Actually, let me just see how much these went up. Because Biden's talking. Yeah, everything's starting to come down right now. I can't enter into trades right now, which sucks. But it's fine. I mean, at least you guys are making money right now, hopefully. Let me see. Let me look at this one. This 102 next quotes. So it just went from about 44 to 80. So that was a 100% play in about 5 minutes. Web Twerp, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, bud. Here's another sub, buddy. Appreciated you and all you do. I needed that timeout. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, so that was you took a gamble and got the Neo puts 1950 for next week. There you go. I mean, these AMD puts that we were just talking about, those 102s are up 100%. So AMD making up for Tesla. There we go, Mike V. AMD is flickering, or no, hold on. AMC is now flickering red, green. AMD, that's a dirty trade right there. Another 100% gainer right there. Bing bong. Our portfolios are about to be less wrong. Let's see. There you go, Mike. I played AMD just before the cross, risky, but the super trend showed the cross. Amen. There you go, buddy. I mean, yeah, I would have gone at the money with it. It's still crushing it. So Good for you guys that hit it. I wasn't able to get it, but that would have been what I was going near, about that 102 level. I mean, it's 30 cents in the money right now. It's still coming down. SPY's starting to move down a little bit here. We got, I mean, that was dirty. That was gnarly right there. That was dirty. Come on, guys. That was nasty. Come on. That was dirty on 13. Look at this. This is dirt. This is Mike V. Look at this, dude. Short AMD, good short. AMC. Yeah. Dude, D James. AMD was a good one right here. If you wanted to hit it, I mean, AMC about to cross down on the 5 minute. It needs a little bit more time, but exciting day, my butt. How? This was so exciting. We had a 500 something percent. I mean, I think I got out for like, what do you call it? 350, 400%. Whoever called that AMD, thank you, Mike V. Mike V. Just want to finish green today. That's all I ask. What are we at right now? We're up 7 cents, 0.5%. SPY's doing his thing here. I mean, Mike V, the theta is going to come and get you, even though these are in the money. Roku cross down. Hold on. So there was another 100%er right there. Nice. Roku did just cross down right here. So this is a pretty big candle on Roku. SPY just kind of hanging out here. Let me make this a little bit bigger so we can see SPY. AMC up about 6 cents right here. Yep, about to take it. There you go, buddy. I hesitated on the AMD and it did the 100%. Yeah, that was nasty. So what's that? Holy shit. Mike, this might be up like 200% right now. Did this go to 120 yet? Let me look. Are these at 120? Dude, that was it. Bro. I need a brokerage that lets me trade after 2 p.m. because this is nasty. This is silly over here. Any updates on a collab with Wrench? Ooh, I haven't reached out yet. I probably should do that. Also, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. We are printing over here. AMC's coming down. We're just basically hedging our portfolios right now with all of these dirty option trades that we've hit today. A firm broke down. Yeah, TD. Yeah, I got to get a TD. AMC about to do 1348. No, it's not. Not on the 5 minute. I mean, it's got some ways to go to do that. But, Mike V. Yeah, TD will do it, I think. Why limited to 2 p.m.? It's on Webull. Dude. That is nasty. Yeah, can't open contracts that expire that day after 2 p.m. on Webull. Well, bro, I mean, I play it on I trade options on Webull. Use on the 5 minute or 4 hours for swings. 5 minute is for day trades. Nvidia cross down. I mean, AMD's coming down hard right now. SPY's moving down here. Everything's starting to get a little bit selly. We're at 1450 right now on AMC, 1448. GME's at 94.35, up about 83 cents. Did that Tesla hit too? Sort of. The AMD was the best one. So what did we do today? We hit like 100% on Uber. We hit like 100% on DraftKings, 500% on Affirm, and did get toasted on Rivian, which is fine because the other ones made up for it in a big way. Yeah, can't open trades that expire that day after 2 p.m. on Webull. There you go, dumb marine trader. All right, so AMC right now is at 1447, 1446. GME now at 94.25. SPY is making this way down here. Oh, Mike. Dude, that's a dollar move. These are 200%. Those, let me see what it's at now. What are the 102s? Yep, 200%. Nice. Hood coming down. Would have killed the SPY, but got puts too early. Yeah, it happens. It happens. So, I mean, at least you guys are making money today. Yep, 200%. Boom, Mike. Mike V, you in the Discord yet, buddy? Dude, those Tesla 830s, they were just a little expensive for me. I don't have the settled cash to do it right now. I was looking at the AMD 100 put for today at 8. Now at 32. Oh, bro. Amy's flickering red to green right now. Hopefully we can get a nice little green finish. But, I mean, we're only down 5 cents. I think Biden's probably late. They're always late. SPY is moving down here. Not across yet, and it is still above the 200. AMD still selling off here. Mike, these might go 300%, buddy. I mean, you should probably make them free. I'm okay. Actually, I'm not going to tell you what to do. You do your own thing. Be careful, though. because at this time over here, I don't have the alerts that you'll buy on the first. All right, cool. I mean, you don't have to. You're crushing it right now just by hanging here. A firm cross down on the 3-minute. Imagine. Yeah, I mean, it crossed here on the 13 cross below the 24. You can play that if you want, playing it back down to the 200. But I want to watch this AMD because this is what I would have done. Damn, man. Woo, sold half. There you go, Mike V. Once my average is back even, I'm out of this toxic community. Just hope AMC isn't drained until then, but it feels like it. Austin, honestly, dude, if you're gonna be negative all the time, okay, you're not taking any initiative right now. It doesn't seem like we've been hitting these plays left and right today. If you easily, if you could start really getting after it here, you could probably get all the way back up to even in your account just with these trades in a couple of weeks if you really went for it. Do you think SCV cares if you're up? What do you mean on options? I 100% care if you're green and you're killing it over there. A lot of us are red on AMC though. We're just red. AMD selling off into close saves the day. Justin had a boy. I usually don't kick people. I usually don't unless they're severely annoying. And Austin's not. I know he has shit. I know he's in the Jesus. You might need to put a non-financial advisor disclosure somewhere. We love you and don't want to get you into trouble. Yeah, I mean, I'm just calling out the strategy stuff. So I'm not saying what to do. I'm just going over the strategy behind it. So, I mean, I'm not telling anybody what to do or when. We're just going over a strategy. I'm not saying buy this strike. I never tell you guys which strike I buy until way after. And at that point, you should not be doing it. But yeah, those AMDs were dirty. That's the thing. It's this is kind of what we do with it. There's a strategy in place. And my whole thing here is you guys call it out. I look at it and just be all right, this one looks like it's about to cross and start to head down. M. Krieg's waiting for Biden. Yeah, sold 4 to 6 AMDs for 100%. Attaboy. Closed Mara puts for a win. One fast sussor. Literally everybody's winning right now. This is awesome. Come on. This is craziness. Do you think retail investors are supposed to be winning? Here's the other thing. We're going to do a little bit of a rant right now. Get ready. Make sure you guys hit that like button. So here's essentially what we're doing when all of you guys in the chat are winning on options. Who are you buying the options from? The market maker. Sometimes it depends, but a lot of the time you're going to be buying it from the market maker unless the options chain is very, very volatile and there's already been a move. You're probably buying a lot of these contracts directly from the market maker. So they're selling it to you at a price. It goes up hundreds of percent. Hundreds of percent. You win. You have beaten the market maker. So you are screwing over the people that we are betting against on AMC and GME and just chipping away. You're chip, 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 chip. Maybe you're not making that much money, but anything counts. Thanks for calling out AT&T. Really appreciate the call outs. Alex, anytime. So for everybody that's kind of been iffy on the Discord, Alex, right? Dude, you don't need it. If you're going to look at it right here, I'm going to be calling stuff out all the time. But there are always going to be things that I don't see. That's the whole point of it. It's so you can have a better picture of the overall broad market. Right now we have 3. I think we're getting up. I think by this weekend, we'll have 300 stocks in it. There's going to be more though. We're going to add more stocks to it. But let's say that Ryan wasn't in here yesterday and didn't tell me about AMD. I wouldn't have made the 55% because I wasn't looking at this. Somebody called out a firm earlier. I looked at it. I would not have made the 400%. It's all about just seeing it. We can know the strategy and do everything that we want to do anyway. And I'll call out stuff when I see it and I'll be able to see a lot of the things because we have all of you guys in here. But when we don't see something, that's what it's for. We get the alerts coming in. Everybody calls it out. Bing, bang, boom. We make a bunch of money. Screw the market maker. And we have more money that we can put into AMC and GME back into if we want to screw them even more. It's a double whammy. You screw them over on the option and then you buy more. And you don't have to, but you can do whatever you want. But Jesus, these AMDs are drunk right now. Oh my God. Walmart just crossed airplane mode. Stop with that nonsense. I'm just kidding. If that's the case, we should have sold at 60 when plenty were up several 100%. That's not true. Then we would have screwed over the market also. No, you wouldn't have. You would have allowed a lot of the shorts to get out. Bro, Tesla 830 put were 395 an hour ago. What are they right now? $800, 800 to $1,100. This ain't a get rich quick scheme. Play it smart. Do your own damn DD. Yeah, I mean, look at NVIDIA. I mean, this is probably selling off the same amount as AMD is. Jesus, I can vouch for the 1348 working in my favor. Alex, fuck yeah, bro. That's what I love to hear. SPY cross down? Not yet. It crossed maybe on the 3-minute, but this is the 13 crossing below the 24. So the green line's the 24, the red line's the 48. How that did not happen. I'm timing you out for that because that's nonsense. You're listening to people on Twitter that are saying things that have no basis for that at all. That's just silly. We're not playing a game over here. Am I late? The new guy, I think you might be a little bit. Ditto 1348 has been fire, making all kinds of dry powder waiting on AMC. Boom, bro. This power hour sucks. Crease, there's no power hour yet. Oh, SPY's dropping here. Watch this. AMD, the bottom's going to drop out of this thing in a little bit. So this could go to 175 right here if SPY keeps coming down. Jeez, man. This is the 1348 team. Let's all print together. Let's go. Closed out TQQ quotes for another win. Boom, baby. Let's go. I'm really excited that you guys are making money right now. This is awesome. AMC is at down 16 cents right now, 14.37. SPY's coming down. GME's coming down. I mean, it's just tough. It's a tough day across the board. AMC is about to cross on this 5-minute here, so watch out. SPY is coming down to touch this 200. Anybody in puts right now, watch the SPY if it's going to bounce right off this 200 EMA on the 5-minute. If it does and starts to rally, it could get interesting. But if it falls through, things could get very, very, very selly. IWM crossed. Yeah. Touche. I'm tired. Yep. DK printing on the puts. I rode the calls today. Yeah. Crossing right here. Man, dude, there's so much opportunity right now. I just can't trade it. I'm out. AMD. Profit is profit. Amen. Boom, bro. I'm really getting excited over here if you guys can't tell by you guys all making a bunch of money. I don't see any news that would cause a sudden $1 sell-off in AMC. It follows the market, Klein dropper. So market's selling off big, sold off from 436 all the way down to 433, $3 move in the SPY. That's what happens. I hedged today's SPY puts with some 425 data expiration. Nice. Biden hasn't even spoke. This is a BS sell-off. It's just, I mean, we've seen these sell-offs happen a lot. Can't be clear enough. Everyone would have to buy AMC at the same time to squeeze it. Wrong. So it's a paradox, Lamar. In order to have a lot of people on the lives paying attention, the stock needs to go up. And in order for the stock to go up, you also need more people paying attention to it. So it's like back and forth. This 1348 is literally a cheat code. Says Mr. Writer. Yep. What happens when AMC gets to zero? It would go bankrupt, but AMC's not going to zero. Why would they go to zero? SPY's falling through right now. DraftKings is selling off too. AMD. Did AMD get to 75 yet? Yep. Hit 175. Mike V, where you at, buddy? VXX just crossed. Watch your calls as market. Yep. That's the 200 EMA. So views are a result, not a cause, just like volume. Yes. Yep. You can look. If you go back to June after the run-up, you can see all of our views go wild. But it happened after the run. So you have to have the run first, then people pay attention and add the buying volume back into it. Ho, Nepal. I hope you had a good day today, buddy. Snow's coming down. Snowflake is about to cross here. SPY's kind of hanging around this 200. It is bouncing off of this. Interesting. Got distracted and forgot to pick up the kids. Gotcha. Man, be safe during that blizzard, bro. I know you're all about to get slammed. We are, man. We are. Can't get options approved. Why? What happened? Why? Did they give you a reason? Where can I learn more about the 1348? Ricky, good question, bud. So I do have the link to the Discord the free part of it in the description of this video and in the top of the live chat. Again, guys, learn about it first before you just start willy-nilly paying for the alerts and trying to use it. Don't do that until you understand how the strategy works, and test it out for yourself first. So you have a little bit of time to do that if you want to, but hop into the free Discord if you want. I'll be in there a little bit later today, answer questions and stuff, and then there's also videos in there. So there's a playlist of videos that they're on Gabe's channel, but I don't think it's a lot easier to just see them from being in there. All right, SPY's coming down a little bit here. Snow, where's AMD now? Still around here. AMC's at 1435. We got GME selling off 9257 right here. What is 1348? It's the EMA crossover. So 13 EMA and 48 EMA. Scooped up some Roblox for the long term. Woo! There you go, Nepal. Tesla 800. Did it? No, it's not. No, it didn't. Oh, man. So I was looking at those 820 Tesla puts right around this cross. It was just a little volatile. I knew it would hit the stop and I would have just sold off. But if you could have the diamond balls to hold Tesla puts or Tesla calls at any given time, I mean, you can make lots of money. How is Hood not dropping like anything else? Because Kathy and some of these other large institutions are probably just in there just slapping the ass trying to get it back up. Waking up from a nap, everything looked kind of a little red here. Yeah, a little bit, but it's not that bad heading that way. Avocado it is. Sorry. Darn. My 200 EMA is at 435 right now for the SPY on the 5-minute. Mine is 433. Make sure you have extended hours on. Dun, 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 dun. Just go back to sleep, bro. We all gotta have apes jumping on this 1348, dude. We're trying to get people in on it. Like that's the thing. Like right as it came out, people were like, "Why are you paying?" And it's like you don't have to. The strategy's out there for free. But if you want to see it from the whole perspective, like yeah, hop in the Discord, get the premium. But like you don't need like everybody's in here just cranking on it. Like there are people in here that are like, "Oh yeah, I haven't paid for it yet, but I'm banking on it, and I'm like gonna join eventually." It's like fine, do whatever. Just like make the money. Just cash out on some Roku puts. Boom. All right, SPY's trying to get back up to this 200 right here. Let's see what happens. Finally figured out extended hours on. There you go. Hugh Janus. Thank you so much for the super chat, buddy. Special shout out to those of you guys who do choose to send those in. You guys don't have to if you don't want to at all. But special shout out to those of you guys who do. 1348, breaking my losing streak. Just made 70% off Lucid puts. It was sketchy, but today marks the start of my turnaround. Dude, that is awesome, man. That is awesome. If you make your trades using the 1348 system and follow the rules, you will likely succeed. Freaking learn it. We need to step up our game to win. Stop playing scratch-offs and start catching falling money. Exactly, buddy. Discord won't let you verify your phone number. It keeps glitching. Discord's been weird recently with how it's been working. It had that down day that was struggling a lot. It just completely went down. We had to like reset up the alerts. So give it a little bit. I don't think that's a problem on our end. It's probably a Discord problem. BBIG is 100% utilization is getting shorted daily. So why should we think AMC will ever squeeze sitting at 70% unlimited shares to borrow against it? There isn't unlimited shares to borrow against it. Yeah, Discord has been weird recently. Shorts are hacking Discord. Well, BBIG is a little bit different. Like it's just a different type of play. It needs this news catalyst and then it can go. $6 swing today on Roblox today. This market is so messed up. Yeah, I'm going to learn this 1348 this weekend. Everybody's homework is to go learn about it. All right. If you put the EMA cost 1348 indicator on, it's easier to see. Sort of. Slipped and fell on some ice. Damn you, Kenny, and your market manipulation. Not a hedge fund. There you go. Is AMC over? No. Nope. Yeah, we're bouncing back a little bit here. 1442. It would be so right now. I'd like to see a close above 1450. Right now, we have got about an hour and 32 minutes until close. Having the same verification glitch, that's annoying. Well, for those of you guys that already have a Discord account, it should be good. William Davis didn't really answer. Well, do you want people to just start selling off AMC and going in? BBIG is a play. I mean, it is. Well, I mean, it's not. I don't think it's going to be better than AMC or GME, though. It could eventually over the long term with their fundamental side of it, with the crypto thing that they're doing, but that's not like a. I mean, I like it. I'll talk about it all the time, but I'm not gonna like switch my focus. Where can we learn 1348, guys? The free chat Discord links in the top. I don't want to keep talking about it because everybody's gonna be like, "Why are you pushing your Discord?" But it's in the top. It's in the description. There's videos in there, all linked that you can go watch and learn about. They're on Gabe's channel if you want to do that anyway. But pay attention. Pay it. T-puts? Nah. We just can't comment on it without verifying our numbers. Oh, that's weird, man. Let's see. Would you buy puts on Netflix? Is 1348 telling me to? It crossed here. I wouldn't do it. It would have been better around here today when it crosses here. So you get the 379 all the way down to 372. That's a dirty trade. I wish I saw that, honestly. SPY's coming down again here. Watch out below. If you have puts on things right now, you're probably banking. So AMD selling off. Jeez, man. All right. So AMC now 1430. SPY is selling off right now. GME is at 92.72. We got AMC at 1430. AMD selling off again. Yeah, those 830 puts went from 395 to 12. Jesus. That is crazy. Definitely a trader's market. Yep. Snow is printing. Boom. Tesla. Just bought more AMC today. Will be my last buy. Why? AMC buying pressure means nothing with all the manipulation. We can't win. That's wrong. Which apes are selling their AMC on a Friday afternoon? I don't know, man. It doesn't make a lot of sense to me. It's the people that don't actually know the full story. They haven't done the research with it. They're getting scared. They don't have as much honestly, it's just a conviction thing. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream. I mean, you guys are doing decent today. You guys are doing decent. Clip it. What happened? The AR guy, what happened? Hood down. Is Hood down to 9 yet? No, Hood is green by a lot today, which makes no sense. Hood is up 5% right now. This is crazy. Drunk market right here. Check on Usual's tweet. RE Melvin short selling. Oh, interesting. We got something on Melvin. Hold up. In a new Wall Street Journal article, it states that Melvin Capital lost 17% this month. It added that when Melvin bets against companies through strategies such as shorting their stocks, it now does so in ways that mostly don't trigger requirements to disclose its positions. Oh, how do they do that? Oh, there's a way for them to do it. Oh, I forget how they do this. It has to. Oh, it's total return swaps. Oh boy, I think it's total return swaps. But it's like it's some sort of swap. That's what they're doing. I knew it had to do with swaps. That is wild. All right, hold on. Let's pull up this Wall Street Journal article. So they wouldn't have to, I don't think they would have to report those 5 hours ago. Melvin Capital lost $6.8 billion in a month. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. Look at this. All right, so hold on. Let's get AMC over here so we can see this. Holy shit. Hedge fund Melvin lost $6.8 billion in a month. Winning it back is taking a lot longer. Founder Gabe Plotkin's bets last year against GameStop and other stocks backfired. The rocky road back has been marred by fresh losses this year. Gabe Plotkin wasn't sleeping. His bets against meme stocks, GameStop, and were backfiring, and losses at his $12.5 billion fund were mounting. Strangers angry about his wagers were bombarding him with threatening messages and texts. At the worst point in January 2021, Melvin Capital was losing more than $1 billion a day. Oh, baby. As individual investors on online forums such as Reddit banded together to push up prices of stocks that Melvin was betting against. We're in a terrible position, stared death in the face, Mr. Plotkin told his employees in a Zoom meeting late that month. Hey, how about don't over leverage yourself on a lot of these nonsense short positions? The damage, though, was severe. Yes, it was. Melvin's loss that month was 54.5%, or roughly $6.8 billion. Wait, interesting. Now, the 43-year-old hedge fund manager is attempting a feat that might prove more difficult than his earlier rapid rise to the top ranks of money managers. Yeah, that's what happens when you YOLO on stuff and go crazy with leverage. He's trying to make back all that money. As the beginning of last February, Melvin had to post a 120% return to do so. They would literally, essentially, have to take out more leverage to do this. Melvin charges investors an annual management fee of 2% and takes a wow, they do 2 and 30 and takes a cut of up to 30% of all profits, among the highest incentive fees in the industry. Where is it? Hold on. In an effort to avoid becoming a target of individual investors, again, Mr. Plotkin adjusted his tactics. Now, when Melvin bets against companies through strategies such as shorting their stocks, it does so in ways that mostly don't trigger requirements to close its short positions. So that's, I think those are swaps. So he's reduced the size of the fund's short wagers to minimize the likelihood of big losses. Yeah, how about don't bet against companies that you shouldn't bet against, dummy? He also pared back the amount of leverage or borrowed money Melvin uses. Well, that doesn't make a whole lot of sense if you have to make 120%. That has lessened the magnitude of potential losses, but also diminished any gains, making it harder to swiftly make up lost ground. By year end, the fund was partway back. For the full year, Melvin was down 39.3%, but far below the average of 11.9% gain for the stock picking hedge funds, according to industry research firm HFR. Let me look down here. As of 2020, Mr. Plotkin had more than $1 billion invested in his fund. He has homes in Manhattan and the Hamptons, in Miami Beach. Residence purchased for $44 million. Interesting. Yeah, I don't really care about. In 2015, SAC. So this is when Cohen and so SAC and Ken Griffin basically did a cash infusion to them, basically bailed them out. Other hedge fund managers regard Melvin as especially good at shorting. Not this time, which involves borrowing shares. Yeah, whatever. Let's see. Melvin had been betting against GameStop since 2014. Should have covered your short, dummy. Let's see. Last year, between January 1st and 22, Goldman Sachs' basket of widely shorted stocks gained a total of 25% compared to the total return of 2.4% for the S&P. That's crazy. No, they just switched. They rolled them over into puts. That's what people do. And it wouldn't be puts. It would be, I think they would go with swaps. So this is just a story about basically what happened last year. That's interesting. So Robinhood coming up. Spy's trying to bounce a little bit here. Melvin needs to join the Discord and learn the 1348, bro. Bing bong. Melvin was wrong. Probably needs a blog. Alex, I like that, buddy. Where's snow? Or where is the snow at? I'm not sure. Let's see. It is Wall Street Journal. Take it with a grain of salt. That's true. That is true. Let's see here. Bing bong. Let's see. Yes, we will. Rolling over. Well, when they roll over, the position gets smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, and they get screwed. Then they blow up because you're like, all right, well, bing bong. We eat the float again. GME is smiling at us. Is it? I don't see it, but it is popping back up a little bit. Down 6 cents. AMC's down 15 cents. Let me see. Where's those AMD puts at that you guys were printing on? Still printing. Not the real Melvin, only Melvin Capital. I mean, that's what it is. The companies were kind of smart to try during the pandemic, but again, they let this drag out for too long. And I would say they are fucked. Me too. Me too, man. Where on the screen is AMC? Top left. Who's seeing the AMC movie about GameStop? Shout out. Ooh, I do want to see that. Maybe I'll try to go see that tomorrow or Sunday. Let's see. Melvin is wrong. Yeah, Melvin's very wrong. Bing bong. All right, people. Let's see. It is 2:38 right now. We got about an hour and 22 minutes left. Time my exit on T perfectly. Drop below 25 after I sold. So I sold while in the money. Alex, good shit, buddy. Spy cup forming. I'll eat it if not. Daniel, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I mean, if this is going to be a little bit of a cup here, that could be interesting. It would need to break above this 200, though. So it's like flicker, nope, flicker, nope, flicker, nope. So maybe the fourth one will start to come back up. You can't find a theater in Kansas City playing the movie? That's kind of weird. No, Webull doesn't lag behind Cindy. The stream, there's a little bit of a lag on it, like a little tiny lag. All righty, people. Bing bong. All right, here. SPY cross. Yep, 1348 did just cross on the SPY. Interesting. So this could be a little bit of a chop, chop, chop down on SPY over here. Yeah, SPY did just cross. Are we rich yet? I don't know. Have you been printing with 1348? Let's see. SPY's at the VWAP, not the 200. No, that's the 200. Oh, SPY just popped back up here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Just came down. Whoa, what was that little glitch here? Interesting. Everything's starting to pop up here. Justin, stop it. Yeah, that was a boom boom right here. Where is Amy right now? 1444. Let's see. Yeah, SPY just got a nice little green. Made 12% on Bed Bath & Beyond. Finally greened up. Java, attaboy. What app is good for day trading? Webull, any of them if you're trading options. Doesn't really matter. Yeah, SPY did just get a nice candle up here all the way back up to the 13. Well, my name is Justin Recipes Meat Juice. Yeah, I know. All right. Just so I'm clear, for the 1348, are you always playing the strike date of the current week's Friday, even on Friday morning? Yes. Just not Robinhood. Robinhood sucks. Yeah. Also, it sucks. Yeah, Robinhood sucks. AMD coming back up here. Those contracts are probably dwindling a little bit. Robinhood just sucks. Everybody trash cans for Robinhood in the chat. I feel like that's what we need. Prog needs a catalyst. Yeah, I've said that many times. Prog good. It just needs its catalyst. Is it possible to set a trailing stop loss on options? I think you can. I can't do it on Webull. I don't think you can definitely do a stop limit though. My wife and I are seeing a movie. Is it rude or funny if I leave banana peels in the cup holder? I would think that's a little bit rude. You feel left out? Oh boy. Just check out, if you're confused about 1348, just come on. AMC is dipping because traders now want to play the market with their AMC gains with the 1348 strategy. Wrong. Nobody's doing that. And you probably shouldn't be doing that. Why are you selling Apple? Is Apple coming back up? Bing bong. Apple 167. FUD, get out. Exactly. Oh, I don't want to even look. I already knew it was going to happen. Thank you for everything you, TMI, and Gabe do. You're changing the lives and supporting us. We are all rising. Would you buy AMD on the 5-minute flip up if you could? No. Well, not now. Think about the strategy. Like, the strategy will tell you. You don't even need to listen to me. Like, you just look here, and it's like, okay, what is 1348 telling you? Is it telling you to do it, or is it telling you not to do it? There's no feeling. It's just, what is the chart telling you? Armando, thank you so much for becoming a member, man. Shout out to all the members in here. Man, thank you so much. I appreciate that, buddy. Why do I keep saying bing bong? Because the price is wrong. Shout out to Trade Spotting. And Byron's on. It's time to take the AMC fight to talk. I don't know, man. TikTok's a weird place. There are some people with like discords on TikTok that like should not. And I'm just like, I want to just have all of your people actually have a good strategy. Red again. Apple to rip. Yeah, maybe. If you guys see me on TikTok, no, you didn't. Lou candles. Let's see. Where's TMI today? TMI is, I think he's traveling around a little bit today. Just got 500 more AMC, says Matt's Duck Suspenders. You absolute whale over there, buddy. Where did all the AMC YouTubers go? I have no idea. Well, TMI's traveling today. He's still here. He's just traveling today. Amy is now back about 1450. Everybody's still here. Biden is 43 minutes late. No way. Vix, you should become a TikTok heartthrob. I don't think that would happen. I could start going on TikTok and doing stuff. Ape Father literally harassing people. It's not even a protest. Bro, get that dude into a home or something. Like, 1348 is so easy. Anyone who needs help, check out the videos. It's explained very well, and it makes it easy for us all to jump into the free Discord linked above for educational videos. It's well worth it. Alex, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Let's see. Generation 8, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Respect for the shout out. Bing bong, the price is wrong. Shout out to Jamie. Jamie's a good dude. Do you and TMI live together? No. Spy is the first time I've seen the 1348 not work. Where did it cross? Right here? Sometimes it doesn't work. That's why the stop loss is there. Sometimes it doesn't work. I mean, you saw it on what I did today with Rivian. Haha, Luke handle on AMC. Alex. Oh, wait, I did it the wrong way. I can't. Everybody's gonna be like, why are you hating on him? I'm like, I'm not. I'm having fun. Let me have some fun on my YouTube channel. Got killed today. Gonna study up more. Got faked out 4 times. Yeah, make sure you're watching where the 200 EMA is. That's pretty much the key. Did I see Tony's Lou Ape Father video? Yeah, I did. That was really funny. Since we are back to 1450, does that mean we lost all the progress we made? No, not at all. Think about it. We have higher short interest and we're kind of finding support at this 1450. Where did we kind of start the run? So think about the run as more like stretched. It's like, so let's say we started at like 10, like 8-ish. You need to use a stochastic RSI and 200 EMA. Yep. Just watch the videos and you'll get it going there. You think the market makers will pick up on the 1348? No, you can't use it against people because then it just won't cross. It just won't cross. Like, you'll just see them not cross. You'll just be like, all right, cool. And then it just won't, because it's moving averages. It's like, you can't, what are you going to do? Like, you're going to change the past 13 days? You can't do it. If it's going to cross, it's going to cross. Let's see here. Yeah. Also, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot with the YouTube stuff. 1451 on AMC right now. GME is at 94.11. SPY's coming up here a little bit too. 1348 been used since 1993. All right, cool. I mean, it's new to everybody in here. They could do fake outs. I mean, you still see fake outs, but how are you going to do it on the entire market? Announcement in 69 hours. Wait, no way. Did he say something? Did he tweet something out? Matt Stuck Suspenders, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Should have said 500 more fake shares of AMC. Yeah, that's funny. Thanks for the super, bud. I really appreciate that. Ryan. Or are you talking about the 69 tweet? No, that's just him tweeting out. Are you familiar with Bobcat? I am not. How can a company show positive net income but go bankrupt? Debt. I don't know if debt service is in there. AMC or text, please. Got you. So we have 4.63 million borrowed shares, 792,000 returned, 20.85% estimated short interest, 107 million shares on loan. That is a lot. Whew. A serviceable and lively documentary for the new review. Interesting. Nice, Alex. They have 3 trillion to move markets. Okay. You're going to do it on every single stock, every single ETF. Can you use the 1348 on the 1 minute? You can. You're just going to get faked out more often. You're just going to get faked out a lot more often. Let's see. The utilization on AMC is 75.5%. How's the Lucid puts? I never had Lucid puts today. I mean, it crossed. It's just kind of been stair-stepping its way down. The Tesla SPY's coming back up here. Amy, boom, boom. Come on, 1458. GME getting a nice little candle here. Okay. One dude showed up. I hate to say this. One too many. SPY is ripping right now. 14 did just the 13 did just cross, I think. A firm cross. I'll pull it up for you though. It's the time is coming like to a close, like it's getting really. No, a firm did not cross. All right. Bing bong. The price is wrong. Do you use Lux Algo or you got an alternative method? No, I don't use any of that. Is Lux Algo just like unusual whales? SPY fake out? Maybe. Affirm down. I mean, dude, Affirm is up 11.5% today. I think I sold the Affirms right here, about somewhere around here for like 350, 400%. I think that's where it was. Confirms buy cross. I mean, right here, I think it crossed. Yeah, it's where it's right about to. I like the 5-minute for day trades. 20% of the shares out on loan. Yeah, it might be more than that. What is it at now? 22% of the shares out on loan. That's crazy. Looks like SPY will be closing above the weekly SMA, the 50 SMA. Interesting. The is time to buy is on the money. I'm not sure what you're saying there, O'Brien. Buy and sell signals? No, I don't mess around with their stuff. I mess around with the stuff that I know really well and that it works. Like 1348 works on anything. Not tested on animals. Nah, I mean, it's been tested on apes. The apes have done pretty well with it. Let's see. No news over here. Nothing too crazy going on. Actually, do I have anything that I need to sell? I don't think I do. Interesting. Oh, okay. Interesting. So Amy's flickering red-green right now. SPY is trying to peek its head out above this range again. We got a firm. We don't really need a firm up here anymore. What do you guys want top right? When is the time to buy? Will it be on the money? But I've been doing the at the monies. You can do in the monies too. It helps with not getting stopped out when you buy closer to the money. Let's see. Yeah. Also, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot with the algo here. Thank you guys so much for all the support that you guys have been giving me. Real nice. Real helpful. I really appreciate that, guys. The thing is like, this would not be possible without all of you guys. So this is crazy. This is wild. How many people we have in here right now? 2,200 people? That's crazy. You want Mara? People were hitting Mara today a little bit on this 1348 right here. So you get it right here. Runs up all the way up here. I mean, that's a decent one. Amy coming back up here. Let's see. Mara doing good, up 5.4. Bitcoin must have been having a good day today. BBIG doing all right. Gets a little 5-minute MACD cross here. SPY not doing a whole lot. Amy at 1457. You guys? What do you mean, you guys? You know exactly what I mean. Let's see. Yeah, BBIG's up here, not doing a whole lot. DWAC, we can put DWAC up here for a minute, Sophia. More than the OG 75 of us? I don't remember when there were 75 people. I don't remember that. I thought it was like at the night streams. I thought we were having like 300 to 1,000 in the lives at night. And then when I started streaming during the day, it was like 300 or 400 until people started to catch on that I was in the live. But thank you guys. I really, really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Shout out like all the mods. You guys are awesome. The members. And then everybody just being positive. You guys make this fun every day. I keep coming back because you actually read my comments out loud, even though sometimes my tinfoil hat's on a little too tight. Sam, it's all good, buddy. Send the link to Lou. I'd rather keep everybody informed. Let's see. SPY inverse head and shoulders on what time frame? SPY is peeking its head out of this range here. Amy, get a candle. 1462. GME coming up a little bit here. I like it. SoFi, you want SoFi? Last Friday, I think we hit a dirty play on SoFi. Wow, holy, SoFi is down at 10. I was messing around with the puts on SoFi, and I wanted this week's at like 14. Jeez, man. Lou unretired. Interesting. Yeah, no. You can't find the article where the New York Stock Exchange said they never actually covered online anymore. Yeah, but you can read the GME SEC report that says they didn't really cover. Max Payne today is 18. Tesla about to break the bear flag. Coming up. Yeah, coming back up. Little cross here. Interesting. Just bought another 10 shares at 1440. Market basket. Attaboy. I like your name. Let's see. Norm, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. My weekly super. Thanks for everything. It's a little shy this week. Nah, dude, you're good. You guys don't have to send in crazy supers. I'm moving. I'll take better care next Friday. Oh, thanks, Norm. Enjoy. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Don't you ever retire, STV? I won't. Don't worry. Do I have ADHD? I probably do, but I feel like if you have it and then you don't like get it fixed, you just become like either like you can hyper focus on things or you just can't. Like it's either one or the other. I don't know, but I have no idea how it works. So that could be just me talking about out of my rear end there. Amy's 1465 right here. GME's up 1.58% at 95 flat. AMC's up 0.8%. The SPY is trying very, very hard here. Let's see. All right, everybody. Going to do any weekend streams for the 1348 on crypto? I'm not, but we will be doing the Sunday night live stream in the Discord. It'll be private though. So AMC right now is at 1471, coming up a little bit here. I have ADHD. I did know that. He didn't retire or anything. No, he said he was retiring. You remind me of me. I probably do. Yeah, guys. The only thing is, I like what he has to offer. You just have to know what he is and what he isn't. I'm not going to go on my rant about it just because I don't want to piss anybody off. It's an interesting day today. And like, you can watch whatever you want. But I don't want to see people coming in with like nonsense claims that are like completely unverified. That's the thing. It's like, you can't, at least one thing has to be right. Like, I believe you can avoid trading advice by saying you're telling people what you're paper trading. No. Okay. So Sam, the thing is like, I'm not giving anybody advice. It's just a strategy that we've taught people. And then I just point out where the first marker is, and then everybody gets to decide what they do or not. Sometimes I don't take them. Like that's what the alerts are in the Discord. It's just here's all the crosses happening. Isn't today they're announcing the GDP result? That was yesterday, I believe. It was 6.9% versus 5.5% estimate. Pretty interesting. Let's see. Cheers to those who are diamond hands and not worried one bit. I'm not worried at all. Picked up a few AMC April calls on the dip. Most satisfying long call in a while. Interesting. Okay. Sometimes you guys say things that I can't say, but you make me laugh. Just so you know, some of you guys in here always make me laugh. Divisive behavior, bad for the movement. That's true. Why are you against the guess of reversal for Ryan Cohen? I never said I was against it. I just don't think that's what it is. I think it's buyback price. I think that's what it is. Hold on. We're getting a lot of stuff over here. Interesting. All right, people. Let's see. Oh, you guys are crushing it on the likes today. Thank you. I really appreciate that, guys. Snake oil. I don't know. That's why I'm asking you. Wall Street is the block. What'd you say? I don't see what you said. I don't see what you said, buddy. SE, okay, just try to make sure you don't get blamed for losses and paper losses be nothing, even though you are usually over 80% correct. No. It's literally just a strategy that I want you guys to learn. You guys can see what I'm doing. Every single time, it's like, don't do what I'm doing. If you take it, though, I hope you win because I hope I win too. But at the same time, you're not supposed to be doing that. You're not supposed to be taking random trades on people on the internet because here's the thing. If you start doing that, you have no idea why you're entering a trade. So you're going to have no idea why you're exiting. Just learn the strategy. And then I'll be on here just pointing out like the different spots. Like, yeah, there's one over there. There's one over here. There's one over here. I'm not going to be taking them all. But that's kind of what we're looking at here. Bad info is also bad for the movement. Max dust suspenders. That is more correct than than the previous statement. A ton of people are buying AMC before close. It's getting called the last stand. I think that's nonsense because of what we saw last week. And what you could see is just a big spike and then it shark fins right back down because retail investors don't have enough buying power right now. I mean, they will after using a lot of 1348 to buy AMC. Because here's what we need. We don't need one burst of buying pressure. We need a big burst and then slow backdrop of buying pressure to keep it up. So we need a spike, then FOMO to just keep it going on its uptrend. That's what we need. Walked for 15 minutes and everything went up. Mark, attaboy, you are the catalyst. SPY is peeking its head up out of the range now. AMC's at 1467. We got Tesla coming back up here. I mean, those puts would have been good down here, but dangerous on Tesla. Tesla is dangerous. Tabasco Dave, true, buddy. Collusion have y'all go losing. Exactly. If that's what's going on, that's complete and utter nonsense. Look at the volume. What's the volume on it today? 47 million. I mean, it's not. Look at the volume of what happened last Friday. It spikes up a little bit, but like it's not anything crazier than what we saw in the past. People just weren't doing it. Steve, thank you so much for the super. People talk about metaverse stock. Is there a certain ticker symbols I can go off of? You can look up like a little basket of stocks that will benefit off of like metaverse activities. Like Facebook's one of them. I think BBIG is probably in there too. But yeah. I could try to look up some of them. I'm pretty sure Meta is now their name. Daniel, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. E-Trade closed my 436 calls SPY. Is that right? They will E-Trade at 3 p.m. or at 2 p.m. They will auto close you out. Geez, Sean. Thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, buddy. Is there someone in here willing to FaceTime me and help me exercise my first contract on Robinhood? Every time I try it, it just goes in as an order placed and then cancels itself. I'm not sure what you're doing wrong. Sean, do you have enough money in your account to exercise the contract? This is hard. I can't really, thank you so much for the big super, buddy, but I can't, I've honestly have never exercised anything. I just don't exercise stuff. But there should be a button that just says exercise and then you're good to go. Austin Scott's trades are where the real money's at. Actually, it's in the 1348 Discord. You should see there was somebody the other day that was like, yeah, I made like 50 G's this week and started with like 12 grand. I was like, you absolute beast. You have to have the settled cash in the account to exercise the option. Yep. You have to call them on Webull. He's on Robinhood. So AMC right now is at 1471. SV doesn't exercise. He should be fat the VIX. That's funny. Hold on. All right, people. We are in power hour right now. It's getting a little powery over here. It's getting a little power hour-y. Breaking news, Biden cancels speech to go going to witness protection due to inflation. That's funny. You have to watch it. We want to see a reaction to the protest. All right, I'll mute it and watch it, and you guys can just see my reaction to it. I'm not even going to listen to the audio, but I will watch it right now. All right, no, I'm not going to be mean. I'm not going to be mean. We're going to be nice today. AMC's popping up here, 1477. Let's see. SPY inverse head and shoulder on what time? I don't think it's the 5 minute. I don't think it's on the 5 minute. It's coming up now. Somebody was calling for that cup. There you go. Whoever called that, you were spot on. You need the audio? I know. We're retesting pre-market high. 1487. That's where sort of right here. Like, if this was like a weird wick where you get those weird orders coming in. Let's get a George W. Foreman. That would be pretty sick. They're playing with the volume. Look at the volume. Who's telling you they're playing with the volume? They're not playing with the volume. AMC's coming up pretty big here. I like it. I heard TMI was going to the protest. Nah, Amy's popping here. It's getting a little jumpy. 1476. SPY's jumping up a little bit here. Tesla's coming back to life. GME at 94.81. Amy's up 1.6% right now. GME's up 1.38. It's looking decent over here. Where's the hype SCV? It's power hour. Here we go. I guess lose buying, right? Is that what we're doing here? Nobody's saying it yet. Nobody's saying it. All right, people. BBBY up 12%. There you go. I just wanted a regular week. What happened? AMC has had 20 straight days of red. Hopefully we change it today. That would be pretty nice. You know what would be nice to do? Now just 20 straight days of green. Done trading for the day. I am worn out. I'm not allowed to trade anymore today, but I still stole a lot of money from the market today. So I am happy with myself. Hopefully you guys did too. Apple looking to pop. I'll put Apple up. Apple is trying to get into this range right here. SPY's trying to move up too. Amy's at 1480. Here we go. Oh boy, that's not good. That's probably not the best thing to have right now. But you guys are like, that's probably gonna spread a lot of misinfo about like they're not doing the work. Like, oh man, I watched the pros. I felt embarrassed, and that's hard to do. Oh boy. AMC shoots up after hours. That'd be pretty sweet. Yeah. Also, if you guys don't mind, hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. You may get out of shape sitting in that chair all day doing this for us. Oh yeah, I probably will. When you guys win on options, what does it feel like? Feels pretty good, man. All righty. Let's see. All righty. Come to the conclusion 1 to 5K is possible. Well, why? Lou candle on the chart. Yeah. If I start seeing any nonsense in the chart, I will release my rant, and some of you people are going to really hate me after it, which is fine. I'm going to put my analogy out there, and some of you are going to hate it, which it's all based in fact. So we'll see. I'm going to keep it in the zoo until we see QQQ cross. All righty. SPY is starting to try to get, Apple's trying to come up here a little bit too. Shouldn't we have all bought calls using the 1348 on AMC? You could have if you wanted to. TDA lets you YOLO calls late in the day. If the market moves big, I'm going to make some tendies. Oh, yes, you will. What will you start doing differently? Trading larger is probably what I will do. Dividend investor, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Saw an interesting theory with Ryan Cohen's tweet, in which he owns 9 million shares already. Perhaps he's bought another 6 million. Ooh, wouldn't that be, I think my buddy sent me that today. He could be messing with the cost to borrow. If he messes with the cost to borrow by buying those shares and basically locking more shares up, he's going to jack the cost to borrow up on all of these shorts because they're just going to be way less shares that are available to lend. That is interesting. Yeah, I got to read that. Will 1348 work on Walmart? 1348 will work on Walmart, SPY, SHIB, Cardano, everything. Literally everything. SPY kind of hanging up outside this range right here. Amy at 1476. I might have to spend all my profits on my kids to make up for leaving them out in the snow. AMD had me distracted. Mike V, I think it was worth it, buddy. Let's see. You want to hear that rant? Oh, it's coming. I know something will come out one time where I just have to like come at a little bit of nonsense here, and I'm going to make some of you guys angry. It's fine. I mean, and I'm going to make some people angry. Some people are going to be like, oh my God, that's so true. And then some people are going to be like, it's fine. Sometimes those things have to be done. Y'all thinking to get back into AMC? Sean, what do you mean, bro? Like, what do you think? We left? He has it all correct. Sometimes, but most likely no. That's the problem. Because then people spread it, which is fine. Like it keeps people interested, which I like. Like you need to keep people interested, but you need some things to be right or like based in fact. AMC is dead. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I'll just laugh. Nah, Tabasco Dave, you'd love it. What does everyone think about AMC squeeze mid-February? Well, we don't really know when it's going to go. 1348 is incredibly successful for a swing trader like me, says Daniel. Attaboy. AMC, what's that? Subi sickness. What's up, man? How you doing? All right, people. 52 minutes left in the market today. Got out of AMC right before it's downtrend. Thinking about jumping back in. Sean, we'd love to have you, buddy. Amy popping back up here a little bit, 1482. SPY's coming back up a little too. Apple is now breaking into this range over here. I kind of want to do this, move it down a little so we can see it. GME right now is 95.21. AMC 14.79 right here. Appreciate the stream. Any shot of seeing BBIG Ortex? So the Ortex on it's like 30%, 32% shorted. You've got like You've also got really, really high cost to borrow and 100% utilization. Do options expire at close or after hours? If it's SPY, it'll be 15 minutes after close. Does 1348 work on crypto too? Yes. 1,080 shares now. Woohoo. Caleb had a boy. STV, you just got me 50% on SPY 1348. I know it wasn't you, it was me. Always learning, always saving. Atta boy. Learning the strategy, making money with it. There we go. Today I bought AMC Prog and BBIG. There you go. Let's see. Astro, you're working too hard. You should try drinking more. No. Why do you guys call me Astro? 1348 is nasty. Yup. Whew. Do you have to have 25,000 in your account to day trade 1348? No. If you have like, what do you call it? A decent amount in your account, you could easily trade, but you just have to trade with settled cash in a cash account. Do you have a girlfriend or a boyfriend? I have a lady friend. Ortex on Fubo. Sure. Let's check AMC's first. 20.85 Fubo. Fubo. All right. 18% shorted, 65% utilization, low cost to borrow. Damn, you guys are spamming the 1348. I love to see it, people. I love it. His girlfriend's Amy. Yeah, right here. This is my girl right here, Amy. I got to compete with Jimmy, though. Jimmy's over here causing problems. I say fuck sometimes. Yes. Definitely knows about the ankles. All right, people. Amazon on the 5-minute. I've never traded Amazon. It's really expensive, but no, Amazon didn't cross. It crossed here, and then you could have ridden it up here, like from 28.12 to like 28.38, 39. I wouldn't trade that, though. The Amazon's expensive. When Neo crossed up on the 48, I got out of my puts, and now it's going back down. Lost all the commission, but still positive on the day. Ryan, atta boy. Let's see. I need SPY down $2. Keith, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Can you check the Ortex on AGTC, please? Yep. AGTC. All right. So Ortex on this thing, 4.5% shorted. Short interest went down about 0.08% today, 20% utilization. Decently high cost to borrow, though, 2.32. Oh, but that's just one loan that went out, 9,700 shares. So not a lot of action on that thing. How much can you make with options with Amazon? I mean, a lot. You can also lose a lot. Can any of you ape channels get Roaring Kitty to make an appearance? No. What's 1348? Oh, Delta Fox. Pop in the free Discord up top. I feel like every 10 seconds, everybody's like, what's 1348? You should, after today, with all those nasty trades that we hit. Ooh. AMC 1348 crossed to the upside. Yeah, it did. So let's see. It is kind of coming down to retest this 200 EMA right here. If it tests in, especially at this level, it could just go boom. Depends on the market, though. I wouldn't typically trade it on AMC, use it on AMC, just because they can do wild stuff with it. You have over 2,000 people watching right now. That's pretty amazing. I wonder what that number will be when the squeeze starts. Dude, it's going to be crazy. I'm watching 1348 videos all day today. There you go. They actually not letting Vic see my messages. I see you right here, Wall Street hits the block. I see you right here, buddy. 1738. Yeah, we need to get to those Fetty Wap numbers. SPY coming back down a little bit here. We got 45 minutes left to go. 47 minutes. Here we go, people. Avocado, stop it. I know you know how it works. Is Jimmy frozen at 95? 95.25 right now. That's what I've got on it. Does Ortex work on OTC? Not all of the time. Sometimes it does. On my screen, it says he has one viewer. Isn't that weird? It messes. It'll probably switch on my screen over here soon to having one viewer. It's very weird. Oh. Yeah. That's a good idea. Consider changing. Yeah, I got you. Snap's doing something. Not 1348 cross to the upside, but again, there's like no time, like 0 time on this thing. I like that you guys are all asking what 1348 does now. It's fun. I mean, at least people are making money. I love it. Just like, okay. Nope. If you want to be precise, use 13. That is the most no, stop that. Are you going to have a limit on the members? I don't think so. The volume is really 36,000 right now on AMC. No, it's not. It's 48 million, buddy. Wall Street, it's a block. I'm not really sure what you're talking about there. Interesting. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Amy popping up here. So we did get this little test of the 200. Now it's coming up. A little bit of a 1348. Striking again over here. Amy now at 1488. Let's see if we can get a close above 15. That would be pretty sweet. Snap coming up a little bit. Lou candle. I don't know, man. How often do you think there are parking shares? I think that's not a real thing. Touch the screen and go back for a second. Right here. Look at all this volume. The volume is 48 million right here. X death 0. I've already answered your question, buddy. Apple's trying to pump. SPY's trying to get up here too. AMC 1483. GME 9530. It's trying. The VIX is going down. Ooh, interesting. Amy getting a boost with the protest. That's funny. Thoughts on T? I don't know, but my boy Alex Blunt crushed it on AT&T calls today. If we finish at 16, you have to go bark at the dogs in the courtyard? No, only I get to set the challenges like that. Let's see. Stop. Too soon. Too soon. Too soon. 2 DraftKings dojis. Ooh. I think why apes like VIX and TMI is a stream is more chat driven than some others. Dude, I always read the chat. I'm like always glued to the chat over here trying to talk to you guys. Because like it would just be weird if I was just like sitting here quiet and you guys were just staring at me. Like think about how weird that would be if I was just like think about how weird that would be all day long. I don't really say a whole lot unless I have something to say and then you guys are all talking. I could, that's just not how I'm going to do things. When do SEC okay, here's what we're gonna do. SEC transparency. We're gonna do this again. This transparency rule, kind of a nothing burger. It's gonna give a little bit. Oh, GME with a pop here. It's kind of a nothing burger. We're gonna get a little bit more transparency, but like it's not gonna be the big bombshell rule. And I saw it on Twitter yesterday. People started to finally listen, especially the ones that were kind of projecting out there that it was gonna be this big bombshell rule that was gonna cause MOAS. It's just the first step in the right direction. That rule is probably 5 to 10% of how far we need to go with transparency in order to really put a lot of pressure on these shorts. 5 to 10%. And everybody's like, this is going to cause MOAS. It's close. It's like getting there, but it's not. We should not let off the gas pedal with trying to get more transparency. And that's why I think when people say this is going to be the rule and everybody's going to be like, oh, cool, we got the rule. Let's relax. Let's just leave, sit back, relax. No, we can't do that because that's not actually the best rule that we need in order to get short sale transparency. It's not. It's FINRA 2119. That's a really good one. We also need to see in 13F reporting that short positions are then reported. Where's that? Nowhere. So we don't see that. Now we're not even really getting anything. The SEC is just going to get something that's going to be like, oh, like it's just not the rule that everybody thinks it is. Nobody like read it. We didn't even know what it was until we got to the thing. TMI's avocado. Stop. Every rule that has passed in the past year is only one piece. We never seem to get it all to MOAS. Frustrating, huh? Well, it's just not. There's not going to be one rule. The SEC can't come out and just be like MOAS. It's not going to happen. They are going to make sure things are not going to be able to happen like this after it happens, because they're kind of like right now in the back of the SEC's mind is like, okay, we can kind of leave the things the way they are right now. We do need to do something. We don't really need to do a whole lot because the situation hasn't gotten out of hand again. If it does it again, which I think it will, they're going to have no choice but to really crack the whip and just really like crack down on all of these transparency rules. GME is getting a nice pop right here, up 2.75% going into close. We got 41 minutes left. We got AMC at 1482, up 2%. We got the SPY trying to make a little bit of a move here. Absolutely crazy day trading. I like it. Okay, how will they flush out the synthetics? Not with that rule. When in that rule, where in that rule, anywhere, or in the SEC thing, did they talk about synthetic shorting or naked shorting? Nowhere. Oh, Keith, what's up, buddy? Hey, Vix, I have open options. When do I need to sell or exercise them by today if they expire today? Close. You have to do it by close. Unless your broker already sold them out. Been here for months, but first time in the live chat. YouTube also unsubscribed me, so make sure you check. Can I trade 1348 if I'm not day trading? Yes, I just, with the way the market is right now, I'm just quick in and out plays if you can hit a big one. Daniel, that's kind of annoying. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys have notifications on and like, I don't know what YouTube's doing. It's just unsubscribing people. That's so annoying. AMC right now is at 1488. It is trying to make a comeback here. SPY is coming up a little bit, up 1.4. Snap's making a move. GME's making a move. Everything's getting interesting. Oh, yeah, AT&T was great today. Alex, boy. SEC needs to put up or shut up. Yeah, but don't think that there's going to be that one rule that comes in and is like, oh, yeah, that's the one. Nope, this one of all rules was not the one. And the thing is people were like, yep, in 30 days, it's going to, 30 days is the minimum for the comment period. And you have people like Hester Purse over there that are going to try to delay it as long as possible. Like I see people in here like not really happy about that, but come on, let's just think logical about, oh, Amy, getting a little pop here. I like to see it. 1492, it's coming back up. Let's see. Go back on chart 2 seconds. I'm on the chart right here. Volume, dude. I don't know what you're saying here. It's 40. I see 48.75 million in volume. You told me over 15 by half. Wait, Ryan, did you just fat finger? Yeah, hold on. Ryan, I think you fat fingered Paul. Ryan, watch out, buddy. I think you're accidentally fat fingering the timeouts. Paul, you're back, buddy. I got you back in. AMC is going to go nuts at close. Reddit was going crazy about buying before the bell. Peter, remember what happened last week? It's the same thing. Wanted to make another play, but I think I should just cool it until Monday. Yeah. Can you explain the turnover rate? Turnover rate, I think, is just the amount of shares that are like just ping-ponging back and forth, but I'd have to look at it. Printing on Apple. There you go. Let's see. Yeah, also for everybody in here right now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, you guys are doing pretty good today. I like it. You guys are crushing it. AMC might end green today. Miracles do happen. It might, man. It might. Come on. GME popping up here a little bit, up 3%. SPY's coming up a little bit at close. I like it. What did Paul do? He saw the apes. That was it. It was just apes. He literally just put ape emojis. Paul, where are you at? I know you're back in here. I unhid you. So I was like, huh, that's weird. All right, everybody. Happy anniversary of the buy button today. It's been a crazy day. Biden still not speaking? I don't know. I haven't seen anything come through on the news feed about it. Oh, Biden live now 4 minutes ago. So he is live right now, and the SPY's jumping off of it. The SPY's having some fun with Byron speaking. All right, Amy's looking like it wants to test that 15 right here. 1495 on AMC right now. So it has been using that level at 1450 as some decent support. It'll come down and then just rip right back up. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Biden always late. Dude, he's like an hour late, hour and a half late. This is crazy. What is the minimum you should have when you're starting to trade options? $250, I think. If you're going to trade with a low amount, you got to be able to pick the stocks, like pick your poison on the stocks that you're going to trade. NNDM cross on the 5, but right at the 20 EMA. 200, I hope you're looking at. SPY to 430. Is that 439 right here? Well, it's at 437.40. What's my Instagram? My Instagram is short the VIX1. If you guys want to go follow me over there. I don't use it a whole lot. I should start to use it a lot more. And then my Twitter is just short the VIX1 too. My logo on Instagram is the same as the like YouTube and Twitter one. It's just has a black background. It's official. I love stocks more than H. Clean 1 year thanks to Apes and AMC. Wanted felons. That's awesome, man. 250 to 500 would be ideal for a cash account. Yeah, you're right. That's about where we would need to be. Went for a sleep. He might have. Team as Avocado says 25 grand. Dude, not everybody's got 25 grand that they can throw at trades. What do you want to tell Joe Byron right now? What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner. Hey, yo. All right. Amy at 1489. Here we go. Doesn't tweet anything. American Public. Oh, damn, you are tall. I am tall. I'm 6'2". Should I do a market sell or limit order when the time comes? I would say limit. Apple ripping. SPY's coming up now too. Apple saves the market. All right. Apple. Whoa, there it is. There's the Apple ripping to close. Trying to get that 170. Day is boring. They're trying to bore us. Dude, day was not boring. Today was not boring at all. Today was actually very exciting, man. It's just the hair. No, it's not. Do I play basketball? Nah. 25 grand makes for legendary blowed up accounts, though. It's the Avocado. Stop. I know you're smart at this and you paper traded first, but dude, don't do that. All right. SPY's up 1.5. AMC's up 2.5. GME's up 3.25%. Apple's up 6%. There we go. Guys, if you trade with 2 to 3K and your trades make you 10% daily, you make 100% in 10 days. Yeah. Let's see. Gideon, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I was watching Matt, but I switched to your channel. Thanks, bud. So now I'm watching you every day. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. But I mean, that wasn't really a hate comment. So thanks, bud. Appreciate it. Welcome to the channel. 2K likes before market close. I don't know if we're going to get there, Ed. Dividend investor, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Now at long-term gains for 1,500 of 2,000 GME shares. Dude, that is reckless. You got a lot of shares over there, my man. Congratulations. Let's see. Yeah, thank you guys for the supers. You guys don't have to send those in if you don't want to, but thank you guys for those of you that do. Check my inbox. All right, let me take a look. All right, hold on. Let me look. I don't know what you're... Oh, are you looking at level 2 in volume? You can't really do that. It's going to move too quick, I think. I think it's going to move too quick. This is the best stream, says Julie. Julie, I appreciate that. AMC RSI somehow at 67 again. On what time frame? Jared, thank you for the super, buddy. On my 37 shares, I bought at 1350 on public. They split my order into 4 lots of 8, 6, and 15. Are they running out of real shares? No, or the price is just pretty volatile right now that they're just having hard time filling orders. And to a lit exchange, sometimes it takes a little bit longer anyway, because you're going to like an actual market. There's not somebody just coming in and being like, yeah, I'm taking the other side of your trade, and it gets filled instantly. Uh-oh. I might sneeze here. I think I'm going to get a sneeze. Oh, boy. All right, we're back. Can you check out Ortex on Matterport? What's the ticker? Let's see. Why call it last stand? Yeah, why are people saying this right now? Guys, this whole coordinated buying thing is so nonsense. Retail doesn't have enough money to do it. If they were going to, if retail really wanted to coordinate buying, that was a cute sneeze, you wouldn't do it this way. I'm not going to say how to do it because I don't want people to just do this. We've talked about it a lot with like how things work and how pricing works and how the money you put in affects stuff. But you can't do this. Is not something that's going to work. It's a silly thing to do. You need the slow backdrop of buying pressure, and you can't just hit it all at once like that. It won't work like that. Let's see. Gee, so many of you guys just followed me on Instagram. You guys are wild. You guys didn't have to do that. All in on AMC for the bell. Huge thing on Reddit. Oh my God. June, I understand that everybody wants to try to get the price up, but at the same time, what did we learn last week? What did we learn? What did we learn trying to push the price to? Are you kidding me right now? Where the heck was this? This wasn't locked all day long? Weeble. Why did so many people start advocating for collusion? I don't know. It's just kind of nonsense. All okay. Thanks, my fault. Just looking out for the apes. Wall Street, it's the block. It's all good, buddy. I don't understand. I literally don't understand. Stop. If you want to buy, buy. If you don't want to buy, don't buy. You coordinating your buy at one time, you know what that creates? Shark fins, because it'll rip up and then they'll just be like, oh, cool, short, because you'll just blow your buying pressure and then you don't have enough to keep it going. It's not going to trick the algo into going. You mean my $50 didn't just move the candle? Yeah, sorry about that. Anyone have earnings today? Nah, it's Friday is always whatchamacallit, pre-market. Thanks for your energy, Fernando. Anytime, buddy. Thanks for being here. Apple looking all right now. AMC right now is at 1488. SPY's coming down a little bit here. GME's at 9644, up 3.12%. We got AMC up 2.44%. Yeah, exactly. They have billions. They are going to be able to manipulate the price way better. So you have to win the smaller battles across the board and provide that buying pressure constantly. You can't just like throw it. It leads to shark fins. Because once everybody bought, let's just say everybody bought at a specific time, it pushes the price up 10%. But then nobody's willing to buy at that 10% higher level. Do you know what happens then? The sellers come in and are just like sell, and it knocks it right back down. It creates a rip up and then a shark fin back down. GME 100 plus says hedge fund shorter, buddy. I would love to see it. I mean, we're at 95.91 right now on Jimmy. Amy's coming down to touch the 13 EMA. You are watching crime. Signed up for the Discord. Let's do some damn trades. Thomas, welcome, buddy. Let's see here. Showtime. Thanks for the super, buddy. Thoughts on DraftKings calls or puts? I hit a nice little 100% gain today on DraftKings. I'm not gonna look at it for a swing. I'll trade it on like the intraday. And just see. Did GME just get a stupid candle? Yep. But I mean, I can look at it for you, but everything in the market is still signaling to sell on the 4-hour 1348. Jeez, new guy. Thank you for that generous super. You didn't have to do that. Thank you so much. STV, is it me or our mornings better for 1348? Also, thank you and thanks to the crew who is teaching newbies to make some bread with different strategies. Anytime, man. Thanks for listening to them. But is the morning the best? No. I typically wait. I mean, today, that's how I got burned on Rivian. I just went at it too quick. It was up like 50% at one point, but then I held it because of what happened on AMD yesterday. And then I got burned. But then a little bit later in the day, I hit Affirm, DraftKings, Uber. Like we were just hitting it left and right. So, and Monday's going to be the same thing. Like we'll have some losses all the time. It's always going to happen. You're not going to hit every single trade, but if you can push the winners, that's how you succeed. You let the winners run. If everything's still signaling to stay in the trade, you let it ride. That's not what I did on AMD yesterday. I should have let it ride. We need whales and slow and steady buying from retail. Yes, exactly. This whole collusion buying thing is not, I mean, what are we? It's 332. What are we seeing right here? Nothing. What did we see? Right at 330, this candle right here. Where does this start? This is the, oh no, right after. Right, this is the 330 candle, I believe. Come on. They shorted it right at every time that people were starting to buy. Remember, they're watching us. If everybody's saying that they're going to buy then, you know what they're going to do? They're going to sell to you. They're going to overload the order book with shorts. Stop with this collusion stuff. It's going to, I'm going to get angry. I don't want to get angry. It's a good day. You guys, we need to think logically about a lot of it. Put on Snap, then sell early Monday. You're not following 1348, and anything can happen over the weekend. Every time we share what our plans are, they come in short. They're watching us. Joanne, 100%. Relax, says Kev. I cannot relax. People are playing with our money. That's literally what this comes down to. When people spread nonsense and then people come in and are just like, oh, like this is what's happening. It's like, no, you are screwing with my money and your money and your money and everybody's money when you're coming in and doing this stuff. That's what's happening. You're like, I don't like to see that. That's why I get so like worked up sometimes, because I'm like, you're screwing with everybody's money. You won't like STV when he's angry. Justin, 100%, buddy. What do you mean, you people? It's on Reddit. Yeah, we got to follow the Discord. Yeah. Keith, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Every time I stray from the 1348 rules, I get burnt. When I follow them perfectly, more often than not, I end up with a win, even if it's a few percentage points gain. Listen to the strategy, says Keith. Keith, you've been crushing it too. So attaboy. I will never hate when people are saying they will buy more AMC ever. That's true. Your money, not anyone else's. Nope. They are affecting everybody's money when the nonsense starts to play in, and then everybody gets everybody's hopes up, and then they get upset. Well, what happens when people get upset? More people leave. So if you hype up something and then it doesn't happen, especially with what's happened over the last like 2 months, what happens? You hype it up. People are like, oh, awesome. Oh, Spy's coming up here. Amy, get a pop. And then people like leave. And you're like, well, that's not what we want to see. Biden is saying bullish things. Oh, baby. Hold on. Hold your horses. Oh, Apple's going to run to 170. Hold on now. SPY is making a little bit of a jump here. Apple right now is at 169.45, up 6.5%. AMC's at 1483. GME's at 95.22. Interesting. When I get upset, I get more AMC. There you go. He's mumbling gibberish. Oh boy. Is this a Lou buying? Yeah, exactly. What's up, Corey? How you doing, bud? So we all need to stop bang, says Corey. CBR. Nope, not what I said at all. AMD just crossed to the upside. I mean, you guys were stealing money on AMD earlier. Very bullish on GM. GM didn't get a pop off that, though. Let's get back to Apple, see what's going on over here. I am getting some notifications coming in, though. I didn't mention WAB. Not getting a pop. Let's see. He mentioned GE. Look at it go. Got a little pop here, but kind of with the overall market. Amy, 1483. Let's see. Selected at Madam Mayor as the Supreme Court Justice. I don't think he did that. Oh, shoot. All right, everybody. You want to see how to put back on 1348? This is how you do it. So I just accidentally deleted them on the chart. So you go here on Webull. Where's the EMA? Oh, where is it? Come on. Where are the EMA? EMA right here. 13, 24, 48, 200. Bing, bang, boom. Done. Why is it not coming back on? Webull. Hold on now. We've just accidentally removed the 1348 from our charts. This is funny. EMA. There it is. Bing bong. All right, now we're back. GE is coming up now off of that little Biden mention. SPY's coming up. AMC's coming up. 1486. I like it. Drift and Juke. I have not seen your question. I'll scroll back and answer it right now unless you want to answer it again. Let's say the shorts have to cover around 5 and it goes lower than 5. Let's say it goes to 2. Does that mean shorts don't have to cover anymore? No. Why would the shorts have to cover around 5? They don't have to cover anywhere. They would choose to cover around there. Sleeply Omelets, thank you so much for the super. Flex Flow bullish, 99% institutional ownership. Interesting. Have you tried turning off your computer and turning it back on? Yeah. I do that every single time before the stream now. So continue buying. You are confusing me. CBR, you should not collude to buy because you're going to get people's expectations higher. And it's just a silly thing to be doing because everybody's going to think, oh man, it's going to buy. Everybody's going to buy. And now it's going to rip. That's not what's going to happen because you saw what happened exactly last time. So why are we doing it again? Buy if you want to, but we need that slow backdrop of buying pressure. And I'm telling you what's going to happen. Even if you were to get it to really go, it would shark fin. Because there's not going to be, if you spike it too much randomly and the algos aren't going to pick it up or there's no options or there's no nothing coming in, it's like, okay, then you're just spiking it a little bit. We're not getting it to those levels that we really need to see. We're up 2.24% right now. We need it at higher levels. Again, it's going to be the same thing every single week. We need to break well above max pain in order to get them to hedge. Tired of waiting for this? I'm texting Kenny G right now and having a word with him. There you go. Don't join the securities felony squad, says Keith. There you go, buddy. Let's see. Am I leaving? Boat bum. Where would I be going? Yeah, shorts would be forced to cover at a higher price, not lower. Exactly. So Amy right now, 1483. SPY is trying to make a little bit of a move up here. GE's kind of coming up. What's Apple doing? Just settle down a little bit in here. Bum, 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 bum. 15:01 closing bell. That'd be nice to see. If SPY gets a little action, we could see it go up. You said buy. I'm not going anywhere. Let's see. Just got off the ski hill. I was holding off the pumps. There you go, buddy. Let's see. Amy popping up, looking to get up to that 15 right here. It's SPY's coming up a little bit. Apple looking for that jump all the way up to 170. That would be pretty sweet. GME 95.35 right here. Come on, SPY. Oh, yeah, he said buy. Yeah, like B-U-Y. If you guys start spreading nonsense about me, I'm going to crack down. We're not going to have that nonsense. You guys all know where I'm at. How long will it take us to get the tax refund back? I have no idea. Break that 438.21. Where are we at right now? 438. Oh, it just kind of came back down. Oh, 40. Ooh, little spike over here on the SPY. Come on. 438.34. Ooh, 40, 47. Ooh, she's coming up. Amy trying to get back up above 15. Here we go. Jeff, same question every day, man. It's very how do you predict potential options price changes? So risk to profit before buying in. You can kind of look, you can look at the it's a hard way to explain this. There's a whole like a calculus equation that prices them, and sometimes options are more expensive than they should be or cheaper than they should be. On my Apple puts printing, they're actually going to zero. I'm sorry. Let's see. AMC big rip after hours. That'd be pretty sweet to see on a Friday. What's SPY doing? SPY's trying here. Amy's at 1488. GME 95.38. Come on. Biden pumping GM stock while whispering at his press conference. Yes, he's whispering again. Okay, that's kind of weird. Steve gonna get hammered by government for his shirts. Who's Steve? Weird TLT been climbing all day. Exactly. What's with your Uber? Oh, I sold Uber in my break. I think I got Uber here, sold it here, half of them, or I honestly might have top ticked it in this candle. Honest, I was like up 160%, and then I sold the other ones when it like broke even, like back here, I think. So good trade on Uber, good trade on DraftKings too. Amy 1493. Here we go. Let's see. You did say you would ride half. Yeah, I did. And then it just started coming down to even. And I was like, I'll just take the money back. Stevie is 34 years old. That's wrong. Let's see here. Yeah. Also, for everybody in here right now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream. You guys are doing good. Ooh, 1400. There you go. He keeps saying jobs. Interesting. Was there any news on another hedge fund going down? Not that I saw. Visa's up 10%. Jesus, man. Options volume's crazy on AMC. Yeah, at the 35. I mean, this one right here is pretty big. If we finish above 15, that would be decent. What are the puts? There's not too many over here. Wait, did they add calls, not put? Oh, no, they added both. Wait, no. Where's their 35,000 in volume? That's what I was looking at. All right. Let's see. Let's go. AMC, big run into close. That'd be pretty sweet. The real question is, does Jeff Hardy like corn dogs? I don't know. Hey, Jeff, do you like corn dogs? What if some shorts, not the illegal ones, will start to close positions from 1 year ago for tax purposes? Any likelihood of this being true? They could if they wanted to. Up 13% on my new SPY calls to recover my 10% on previous puts. New guy. There you go, buddy. AMC and GME can get wild after hours, especially at these prices. Hedge fund shorter? Yep, they definitely can. They definitely can. All right, everybody. We got about 17 minutes left in the day today. Amy's at 1492. The SPY is coming up over here. Uber's ripping. Nah, I mean, I getting out of those Ubers was a good idea. Apple. Did Apple break that 170 yet with Apple coming up like this? I mean, with SPY coming up? Nope, not yet. Interesting over here. Amy? It's getting up there. It's trying. 1501 close. Let's go. That would be pretty sweet. That would be pretty sweet. If we get 1501, that'd be nice. I mean, there's not that many contracts there, so it doesn't matter. The volume on it was pretty decent, but AMD is shooting up. They talking about chip makers? Wow. Hold on now. AMD. So you guys played this little 1348 on the way down for 200%. I know Mike V crushed it, but we got another one on the way up here. Interesting. Spies coming up. Amy. Oh, 114.96. Here we go. Let's see if we can break that 15.97. Come on. 96. GME shooting up a little bit here. Come on. Here we go. 1348 hit it all day. There you go, Freddie. Straight through 15. I'm telling you. It'd be nice to see. BioLife Hemp, where can I email you? TMI knows you. Short to VIX 917@gmail.com if you guys want to send me any emails. Amy broke it. I was right about to, I think. She's right about to break it. She's trying here. Lucid's running. Deekslate. A lot of things are running right now. Melvin Capital website is down. I think that's been down. People were saying that it's been down since February, and I was like, oh, well, it looks like it's down. Oh, here we go. 98, 99. We're flickering right now. We are flickering. The buyers are stepping back in. Let's see what's going to happen on Amy. We got 15 minutes until close. Spies coming down. Amy gotten dragged down with it. We hit 15 for a second. Oh, gotcha. Spy is stupid right now. Yeah. Let's see. Battle of 1501. Sort of. I mean, 15. It's not like a big options level. Amy run to 1540. Says not a hedge fund. That would be sweet. Biden farted. No, he didn't. When's my birthday? In May. Why are you asking personal information about me? Tisk tisk. When's your birthday, kid? Like, what are these questions? I know that you go to UConn. Are you from Connecticut? Yeah, Mark, I am from Connecticut. All in on AMC before the bell for me. Randy the 8, attaboy. So we close at 14.99. We might. It's possible. We're at 14.96. And I'm 22 years old. Sorry if I was an asshole. I'm 22. Out of curiosity, what's your social security number? Last four of your social. Stop. 1501 would be nice. Mine's May 19th. There you go. Let's go. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday. It's not my birthday. All right. Spy trying to come back up here. Amy, 1498, 97. Come on. LMAO. Let's see. What's your mother's maiden name? You're easy to tease. Bro, I know. You gonna give out your passwords? Nah. Now he's just mumbling. It happens. Oh, I think it just flickered to 15 really quickly again. First street you lived on? Stop it. You guys are wild. All right, people. We got 13 minutes left. You guys are crazy. You guys are funny. Remember the run on SCV's birthday? No one can beat it. Nobody can beat it. I'm waiting for somebody to beat the run. 35.58%. Let's see. All right, people. Juan, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate it. Great live stream, by the way. You are a furry, and that's kind of sus. Juan, why would I be a furry? When have you ever seen me dress up like that? That's weird. I don't want to be mean, but like that's a little bit suspicious. Amy's at 1496. Spy's coming up a little bit here. Amy, get a pop. Little buying volume here. Come on. Where was this 1348 cross? I mean, right here, you could have ridden it from 435 to 437. That's not bad coming into like close at expiration. Fix the furry. Because I'm a squirrel? Oh, I guess so, man. Are we agreeing that we can't beat the algo on this kind of volume, right? Well, this kind of buying pressure throughout the day. We need slow, consistent, big buying pressure. AMC's going to hit 15, boys, says Sean. Hoping, man. Let's see. We need Lou to buy ASAP. I guess so. 1496. So he never shows his ankles. Nah, I showed you the ankles the other day when Spy went green. That was pretty crazy. Squirrels. There we go. Spy moving up. Looking all right here. AMC to 16 by the belt. Reddit is crazy right now. Interesting. Are they going to buy up GME too? I mean, they're trying. The volume candles aren't very good. You need a lot of buying pressure to do it. 48 crossing the 200 on AMC. Yeah, right now it looks like it wants to. So 1498 right now. Let's see. We got 11 minutes left. And I don't know, up 40% on SPY 445 call expiration Monday. Thinking about holding it, but it breaks the rule. It's a PDT. All right, I've got to, I don't know. See, you got to do what you got to do, man. Like, get those likes up. 2K before the bell, says Jason Walker. Thanks, buddy. I don't think we're going to be able to get there. That would be a bit aggressive. Oh, here it comes. Come on. What's GME doing? GME's slowly making its way up here. We're at 1499. If it just busts 15 and just rips, that'd be pretty fun to see. How many calls at 15? Like 6,000. There's not many at all. What is it right here? 6,900 calls at 15. There's barely any. Sorry to bother you, but can you tell me your favorite snack? Oh, man, I have such a bad response to this. Your girl, but I'm not going to say it. Why is Hood up 9%? Oh, Amy just hit it right here. 1501. Nobody got the joke. Hopefully nobody heard the joke. AMD's ripping. SPY just got a pop over here. SPY is ripping right now. Amy is just flat at 15. Sorry. It was funny. It was funny. It was a funny joke. 15. We did hit it. We're at 1499 still. Sorry. All right. It happens. I'm sorry. I apologize. Mara of 10. I heard the jokes. It's not a hedge fund. It was a good one. It was a good joke. I like to mess around. Tis is your first day in here. We like to joke around. So still just pinned at 1499. We're hitting 15. If 1501 comes and we just go floop, that'd be pretty sweet. Can we just floop already? I know. Big Zat. Sorry. My SPY calls up 100%, but can't sell because of PDT. Oh boy. All right, SPY to 440. That's pretty dirty. That is pretty dirty. Let's see. TMI is popping in. Let me get him. Hold on. I'm sending him the link. TMI, if you're here, I'm sending you the link, buddy. Where is he? There he is. Wait. Bing bong. All right, people, we got 9 minutes until close. We're trying to get up to this 15. Trying to get up here. TMI is about to pop on. Here we go. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Thank you guys so much. All right, we're coming down a little bit. We got knocked down. AMD, ripping. Still sucks, though. I own a lot of AMD, and it's very far off of the high. Did he get the link? TMI, I sent you the link. Did you get it? Let me send it again to make sure, because it doesn't look like it went through, but I'll send it again. It looks weird when it's going through. All right, let's see. Here we go, people. Last couple minutes till close. All right. Apple ripping. AMD's ripping. Amy's trying to go. Ooh, was that? Nope, not yet. Let's see. I hit the last one, but it was closed. I'll just hold on. I'll send it to him again. I don't know why it's not working. Hold on. I sent it to him 3 times. All right. Hopefully he can get on. Let's see. There's a lot of puts at 15. I don't think there is. Is there? No. 5,000 at 15. Bum, 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 bum. All right. Those puts really would have hedged it down. Long dated Apple puts. I don't know about that. All right, people. Oh, here he is. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
What's going on, guys? What's going on?
Hello. Safe travels.
So far, so good. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Nice. How we doing right now?
We are at 1493. Dude, these 1348 plays today, like 500% on Affirm, 100% on Uber, 100% on DraftKings. It was theft today. It was thievery in the market.
Oh my God. Oh my
Every other
goodness.
chat is like, what's 1348? I'm like, I can't keep saying it, but like, we got to explain it. It's so good.
I love it. On the 1 year anniversary, making money is the definition of success.
Exactly.
I did also buy AMC calls.
Oh, you
So
did? Where
I
when
didn't
was
say,
this?
I didn't say it. Yesterday I bought AMC calls $15 for next Friday.
Ooh, I like it. I like it.
I bought AMC calls in the dip. I bought about 10 of them. I didn't go big money, but about 10 of them, I said, all right, cool. I'm gonna let them sit. Let's see what happens today. Hopefully they finish in the money today. So I'm hoping for above $15 today. And then we can kind of get a little rally going. I'm like, you know what? 1 year anniversary. Let's see what happens here. We got about 5-10 minutes left. 6 minutes left? Yeah, 6 minutes left. Let's see what happens. I can't see the chats. I'm on my phone.
Do you see if you can see the chat right now, it's literally just every other message. It says 1348, 1348, 1348.
1348. Retail are fighting against algorithms right now. I would normally less while retail looking to support buying pressure. Oh, dude, it's what? Lose buys just going through.
Dude, every time we see green candles at close, it's like lose buying. It's like, okay.
You still
Let's
landed?
see. Oh, did
Yeah,
you see the
I'm still
protest?
traveling right
No,
now.
is that where you went? You went to the protest?
Wait, there's a protest?
There was a protest. Remember the first hate video I got?
Did you say,
After I was like, this is probably a poor idea.
hey, that TMI's someone changed their name to TMI's blow up doll?
Yeah, I saw that one earlier.
Jesus
They're coming
Christ.
for you, buddy. They're coming for you.
Hold on. Wait. What happened?
The protest. I think there were 2 attendants. I was like, that's probably good.
I'm sorry. There was actually a protest?
Yeah, there were 2 people. There's the person that
real.
did it, and then the one person that came. It's just a bad idea. Like, come on, we do that. We're protesting every day.
That is pathetic. Oh my goodness. Come on, Amy. Let's go. Push it. Push it to the limit.
4 minutes.
14.96.
97.
Okay.
Come on. It's close. Guys, can you tell your boy to buy?
Here. First green day in 12 days. I'm bullish for Feb.
That's true.
I'm also happy because, the shares that were bought in this week, anyone who got in shares this week, you're on the dip below $15. You're definitely happy. Or even those who got in right around 15, you're definitely happy to see a freaking green day. I think Bitcoin is back too.
Mero was doing good today. You playing Mero?
Oh. I averaged
Mero.
down. I averaged down a lot.
Nice.
Yeah, I got about 30% more Mera in the long portfolio because my average was like below 13. And then when I saw this dip again, I was like, okay, I feel much more comfortable buying in here than buying at like 50, 60, 70.
Right.
So this is good. Pelosi's buying more.
We just hit 1501. We're at 1501, 1499. We're flickering right now. We're right at it. We got 3 minutes, people. Let's see if we can get that close. We did hit it.
I love it.
Watch it be 1499.
I know, just to freaking get my calls out the money.
Alarm clocks are margin calls on sleep. That's funny, Ethan.
Let's see. We over 15 again. Oh, it's a battle.
Big grip right here. I mean, 4 cents, but it looked nice on the 5 minute. We hit 1504.
What's the GameStop at? Jimmy.
97.61. Getting a candle here too.
Nice. Okay, they're getting back to 100.
I'd love it. I want that 100.
Tesla looking for 850. Oh, that's sad.
Dude, I almost did the 1348 on Tesla puts, but it happened too late. So like on Webull, it like won't let you open like 0 days after 2. So I was like, please cross. And I was watching SPY. I was like, everything's got to start now. And then it didn't. And then it crossed a little bit later and started to go. And I was like, but then it ripped. I was like, okay, cool. We're good.
Yikes. Funniest thing too is that I sold Apple calls at the start of the day, right? Just got out of them really quickly. I set a buy order and a sell order. I'm like, okay, if it dips back down, hopefully it gets back out. It didn't sell by the time I got off the flight. So I was just looking at it, just like sitting red. And then I don't know what happened in between now and like 2-3 hours ago, but the whole market just hit the switch.
Oh, yeah. I think
market makers are just like, ding. 1501.
1501. Mike V hit a dirty play on on AMD. It crossed down like right here. And it was
Mhm.
literally just like 200% on that move. And he was like, yeah, I just made 200%. And I was like, you dirty dog.
Jesus. Yeah, I can't wait. I know. I can't wait to get a setup going. This is nuts.
I know.
This is nuts. Congrats. Listen, everyone who made money today, congratulations. It was a volatile day, and if it worked in your favor, you're killing it.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely killing it. Okay, last minute.
Ooh, we are above 15. We're at 1505 right now. It would be nice to close above here.
Do I wear a mask to bed? Yes, I definitely do. I 100% do.
Let's see.
Here we
This
go.
is
Here
even
we go.
better
Here
on a
we go.
Friday. Yeah. Ooh, 02.
Wait, can I do this? I don't know if that works.
You turned it sideways?
Yeah.
It
Am I
did
coming in
work. It
straight?
did turn it on the screen.
Nice. Okay. Okay.
Ooh, 1506, 7. All right. There's not a lot of options here, but it is a nice little close. Bouncing off that 1450 and not closing down below that support level. I like it.
Come on. Come on. 1507 is decent.
Ooh,
10 seconds to go.
ding, ding, ding.
Oh.
1506. Good job, people.
Let's go. Success.
Good job.
Success.
We won.
Love to
Just
see
kidding. We still have a long way to go, but good job.
it. All right, but I'm gonna jump.
Later, buddy.
Hey,
I gotta
everyone.
head out too. Have fun on your trip.
Definitely will. I'll hit you up after this.
All right, cool. Later, bud. All right, people. That was a fun freaking day in the market, huh? Wow. Wow. 1506 close. I like it. I like it, people. All right. So that is going to wrap up the live stream for today. Thank you guys all for a great day. I know everybody was printing money that was trading the 1348 today. So good job for you guys. If you guys do want to learn more about it, there is that free Discord link up in the top if you do want to come and join. We'd love to have you. You don't have to pay for anything. You can learn the strategy for free, but if you do want to see it on a broader scale and kind of basically get the alerts on 300 stocks in the market, hit up the premium. We'll be doing the Sunday live stream tonight with me, Gabe, and TMI. We'll get that one cooking up. But other than that, guys, good close. First green day in a while, 3.72%, 1506 close. On the way out, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. And again, I'll be back hanging out with you guys Monday. I'll probably have some videos out for you guys this weekend. But other than that, people, peace.